Start streaming. And we should be on. All right. Good morning, good morning. Bon matin. Bienvenue à tous, bienvenue à tous. So let's get the chat here. Here we go. All right. So we got our chat here. Everything is good. Everything seems to be running. We are now on YouTube. Okay, just need to manage my sound. So I guess everything is connected well. Okay, perfect. Excellent. You guys hear me well, right? Sound is good? Image is clear. Let's get rocking. Good afternoon, good morning, everyone. I'm gonna go grab a kebab so I can enjoy this even more. That's pretty cool. All right, so this is good. Okay, perfect. So, good morning, welcome. We are the Thursday, the 14th of January, which is a special date because that's my wifey's birthday. So, yeah, so that was yesterday. I had to cancel the talk over beer. We had a little something, so sorry about that, guys. All right, so bon matin tout le monde, bienvenue. On est le jeudi le 14. So, guys, if it's your first time here, don't worry. I'm going to be bouncing from French to English. This is the Franglish session, so you're not going to be missing anything. Pretty much, I'm trying to translate pretty much everything, right? So, if you have specific questions, just ask. If you want your chart to be looking at, just send it. Please, guys, coming into Zoom, mute yourself. Um, we hear some backgrounds. Donc, si c'est votre première fois ici, bienvenue. Paniquez pas, on va se promener de France. Vous allez manquer rien principalement. Je devrais être en mesure de pouvoir pas mal tout traduire au fur et à mesure. Good morning, YouTube. Good morning. So people are started to join now on YouTube. So perfect. All right. So let's get going. Let's do the top-down analysis. All right. So looking at the monthly chart, right? So the chart du mois. So looking at it, basically, I mean, it looks pretty much like what we looked Tuesday. I mean, we broke previous high, we respected previous low. We broke also previous resistance here. Um, Let me put that in do not disturb here. Thank you. Um, so yeah, so we broke previous monthly resistance. So technically we should continue up, right? Next monthly resistance is set at 143,900, right? I don't think we're gonna be going up there now, but anything's possible with GJ. Donc sur le chart du mois, ce qu'on regarde, c'est qu'on a brisé le haut précédent. On a respecté le bas précédent, on a brisé la résistance précédente, donc techniquement, on devrait continuer vers le haut. OK? C'est sûr que la tendance, si on regarde, si quelqu'un fait une trendline ici, on va remarquer que c'était à la baisse, mais on a brisé en brisant ce haut-là, on vient de renverser la structure. So guys, if you look, of course, if you look here, this is, if you people trace trend lines here on the monthly, you'll see it's bearish, but right now we are bullish, right? We're breaking that resistance. So we are having a break of structure right now, right? All right, so looking at the weekly chart, donc le chart de la semaine. So same thing, I mean, we're fully bullish right now. I mean, if you look at this on the weekly, I mean, we're creating high highs, higher lows. We broke previous high, respected previous low. So next destination on the weekly is set around like 144, 558, the fill of this wick. So for people that do swing trade, so anything we do on the smaller time frame, you guys can do it on the monthly and the weekly. It's the same concept, same ideas, right? Donc pour les gens qui font du swing trade, c'est exactement la même idée, c'est le même concept. Vous devez simplement appliquer la même chose sur les time frames qui sont plus élevés, comme le chart du mois, le chart de la semaine. Comme exemple, ceci sur le chart de la semaine, si on regarde, on a brisé le haut précédent, on a respecté le bas précédent. Donc, on est vraiment très, très, très bullish présentement. What's up, Zane? All right, so on the daily, so looking at the daily right now, man, you look tired, bro. So looking at the daily, so basically right now we didn't broke previous high yet. We respected previous low, created the bottom wick. Um, and I want to show you something, guys, on the daily. Okay. Well, again, this we have a resistance here on the daily, so we got to keep that in mind. This QP at 750 is a daily resistance. We broke it so far, but we didn't close above yet, right? So at this point, we don't know. But if you look here, okay, I just want to show you something. Last time, 142, right? So last time we were above 142, like you see here, it dropped, which it's something I sent on the Telegram group, right? Um, it's something I sent on the Telegram group. I checked that on Tuesday. Last time we were above 142 was around February, right? So price was like super high, came back down, and once the COVID situation happened, we dropped under 142 like big time. And since then, since then, every time we hit 142, we came back down. So I'm just wondering, is the price and the market really ready to go above 142? Because above 142 means coming back to um, normal economy, right? And I don't think it's the case right now. So I'm just wondering, right? This is just an inside thought. Donc, qu'est-ce que j'expliquais principalement? La dernière fois qu'on a été au-dessus de 142, c'est lorsque l'économie était à la normale. C'était avant la situation de la COVID. Donc, je me demande simplement si l'économie, en ce moment, est vraiment prête à retourner à un prix qu'on considère normal, entre guillemets. Guys, coming on the Zoom, please mute yourself. Mute yourself, guys. Thank you very much. So yeah, so that's just a little something on the daily right now. But now looking at the daily, we should continue up. We still didn't break previous high yet, but technically we should. But right now, every time we hit 142 so far, we rejected it. So we need to see that daily close above 142 to see next day is coming up, right? Looking at the 4 hour, donc looking at the 4 hour here. So if we look at the 4 hour, we created a new high, came back down. Now we're retesting that new high, right? So safer buy right now for people using the 4 hour will be above this zone, which is 142, 150. And yeah. So, but technically, I mean, okay, Ryan, let's mute you. Thank you very much. So, guys, I mean, we're 2021. I mean, I'm sure it's not the first time using Zoom, right? So, um, donc, si on regarde le chart de 4 heures, si on remarque qu'on est très, très, très bullish. Donc, on a créé un nouveau high, on est venu plus bas pour venir retester ce nouveau high-là. Maintenant, c'est sûr que les achats plus sécuritaires vont être au-dessus de cette zone-ci. C'est pour les gens qui utilisent le 4 heures. Looking at the 1 hour. Looking at 1 hour here. I mean, all right, here we go. Looking at 1 hour. Again, we created new high, came back down. Now we retested that new high. So at this point, I mean, we need either to come down and create support and push back up, or safer buy above the zone again, right? If you want to look at this, we're going to do this on the 30 minutes. Donc, si on regarde le 1 heure, encore une fois, c'est le même concept que la 4 heures. On a créé un nouveau high, on est venu plus bas, retester, c'est fait le nouveau high. Maintenant, il reste à savoir, est-ce qu'on peut fermer au-dessus de cette zone-là? Présentement, prendre un buy ici serait très risqué parce que, so if you're taking a buy here, the problem is we only have like 12 pips to the next zone, right? So it's a very tight range right now. Looking at 30 minutes, looking at 30 minutes, same concept, right? Same concept, created a new high, came back down, create support. The entry was here, The entry was at 5 a.m., but I woke up at 5, so unfortunately I wasn't able to take that trade, right? It's too bad because I was very, very awake at 4 o'clock. I should have wake up at 4. So, but went back to sleep and got an extra 30 minutes of sleep, right? So, anyways. Donc, si on regarde sur le 30 minutes, l'entrée était ici sur la chandelle de 5 heures. OK? Donc, sur la chandelle de 5 heures, people that took that entry, I think it's good. I think you guys can hit 142, 150-ish. So yeah, so guys, if you took this entry right now, I mean, you're got your 10 pips, so you should secure profits, move stop to break even, but you should get at least like around 19 pips, right, on this trade. Um, Yeah, so the entry was right here. Donc l'entrée est vraiment ici à 5 heures. Pour les gens qui ont vu ça, on a créé un support. L'entrée qu'ils ont pris ici était, était une très bonne entrée. Maintenant, ce trade-là est à peu près à 10 pips. Vous devriez être sur le bord de pouvoir sécuriser vos profits, mettre votre stop at break-even. Mais vous devriez pouvoir aller chercher le 20 pips, right? Mais il faut comprendre que 142, c'est un niveau très fort. So 142 is a level, very, very strong level. So be careful, right? It might reject. So that's why I'm saying secure your profit, guys. Yeah, this is the last stream with this monitor that I'm streaming on. I just received a new one. So that was the last missing piece of the new setup. So soon I'm going to be able to post a picture of the new setup. So you see now, I mean, your GJ is pumping up. So I mean, pumping up. It's moving a little bit. You guys gonna get your 10 pips and secure your move. Um, all right. So let's see what we got here. Good morning. Yes. Congratulations. Thank you. Blessing her on her birthday. Oh, yes. She will be, yeah, she's going to get something special. All right. Tu as ton propre Zoom, Sofiane? Bonjour, bonjour. Oui, 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 j'ai mon propre Zoom le mardi et le jeudi seulement. OK? Donc, oui. Puis, si tu peux trouver le lien, tu es la bienvenue sur le Zoom. So Zoom, as soon as, of course, guys, as soon as the course launch, only students going to be on the Zoom, but we'll still be streaming on YouTube, so that's going to be fine. But as right now, I mean, course is not launched yet, so you guys are more than welcome to join us on the Zoom. All right, all right. So now let's see. Let's see. Oh, Kenny, qu'est-ce que tu penses de cette analyse? Voyons voir, Kenny. Voyons voir. So Kenny sent a chart. So let's take a look at it. Oops, what the hell am I doing? All right, so this is GJ 30 minutes. Looking at GJ waiting to close above this resistance. This is 142.060. Need the retest this new support. 142.060. 142.060. Hold on. Is it a past? Is it in the past? No. I don't see any resistance here. You said breaking this resistance, but I think you're mistaken. There's no resistance here. So resistance above here, you know. So resistance right here, guys. So there's no resistance here, right? Um, and right now for buys, I mean, I want to see something break and close above 142, like 160, something like that. Um, I mean, next target can be the fill of this wick here. So the target will be 142.250, the first one. And after that, oops, sorry guys. After that, next target is going to be like 142, 500, right? So next QP, where it might go to this zone. We have far on the left. Donc, donc moi, ce que je vais regarder pour un achat plus sécuritaire, ça va être au-dessus de 140, 150. Premier target va être le remplissage de cette petite wick-là ici à 142, 250. Le prochain target va être le prochain QP, mais on devrait aller dans cette zone-là, techniquement, qui est une zone très loin là, sur la gauche, qui est aux alentours du mois de février 2020, si je ne me trompe pas. So that's what I'm looking at. How to join, then, comment faire pour joindre? Si Sofiane, si tu scrutes un petit peu mon Instagram, je suis sûr que tu vas trouver comment, mais je ne veux pas te donner exactement comment faire, parce que je veux voir si tu vas être capable de te rendre. Donc, j'aime pas donner tout cuit dans le bec. Donc, je suis sûr que tu vas trouver. All right. All right. Where's my dogs at? We're missing some dogs. Where's those guys? Some people are sleeping still. I think people got discouraged for the past 2 days, man. The past 2 days been hard. I, to be honest, it's been a while since I didn't have like, I think I have like 3 loss in a row right now, which is, it's been a while. It's been a while. But those loss, if you took a look at my journal and I didn't post my last trade from yesterday, I'm gonna do it today. I've been super busy with work. Um, but yeah, all the losses are kept small so far, so I'm pretty proud of that. Pretty happy with that. I mean, yesterday I think was minus, if I'm not wrong, minus 3 pips, something like that. So, I mean, if you look uh, here, right, Trixie, Trixie. There we go. So Trixie, oh, I need to post a trade idea here for GA that I had yesterday. But yeah, so if you look, loss, yeah, I'm missing one loss. I need to put it from yesterday, so 3 loss in a row. Um, but I think this one, yeah. So this one, 50% was closed at break even, if I remember correctly. Uh, trailed. Oh no, this one 50% was closed at minus 3 pips, and the rest closed full at probably minus 5 pips. Yeah, so that's it. So 50% at minus 3 and the rest at minus 5, which is pretty well managed. And this one was, I think, this one was 50% at break even and 50% at minus 7. So that's pretty good. And yesterday it was minus 3. So that's good, because usually my winners are 11 pips. So I always kept my loss smaller than my win. So that's how you can be profitable, right? So if not, you're always going to be playing at break even, which is no good, right? So guys, mute yourself on Zoom. Thank you. Donc, ce que je fais dans le fond principalement, c'est simple, c'est je garde mes pertes le plus petit possible. Si on regarde dans mon journal de tantôt, on remarque la plupart du temps, bon, j'ai closé 50% à moins 3 pips, le reste à break-even, d'autres à 50% break-even, l'autre à moins 7 pips. Et hier, si je ne me trompe pas, c'était moins 3 pips, si je ne me trompe pas, si je ne fais pas d'erreur, là. Il me semble que c'était ça. Donc, j'essaie de garder toujours plus petit que mes gains. C'est comme ça qu'on peut devenir profitable. Parce que mes gains sont généralement pas mal tout le temps autour de 11 pips. Donc, hey Sasha, please review. Someone's having some background noise. Okay, let's mute everyone then. Mute all. Thank you. There we go. So people doesn't know how to use Zoom. Um, all right, so let's take a look. I don't know why it's not copying. Paste. All right. So this is coming from Devin. Devin, right. This is GJ 15 minutes. We got some Cowboys in the place. All right, so close some position as 15-minute close bearish. SL below support. Entry at the 15 minutes started to breaking the high of the previous 15. So yeah, that's good. Nice trade, man. But you see, if you would have waited for that 30 minutes, you would not have to close 50% of your trade. So this is the thing with the 15 minutes, every time, like most of the time, when you take an entry on the 15 minutes, you're gonna get the same, pretty much very close to the same entry on the 30 minutes, but with less stress and without having to close partials. Because that was what time was it? It was like oh, that's your own time, right? So this one, 15 minutes. Oh, let's take a look, just for fun. Just for fun. That was right here, right? That was right here. Here we go. See? If you waited for this candle here, I mean, you're good. So that's why I always wait. If I take an entry on the 30-minute, I would wait for this 30-minute to play out to see. Because let's say I took entry here and I look at the 15 and I see this, I'll be like, oh man, right? I'm gonna be closing. But now I just act on the 30-minute. But that was super risky, man, because you were right on that 142. Yeah, pretty risky. Impulse trade, man, are risky, so you gotta be very, very careful, especially on the 15 minutes. But it played out, man. So good job. EJ 15-minute gonna break out for buys. EJ. EJ. EJ moves so slow, it's not even funny. I don't know with who I was talking about. When we had this consolidation here for like, I don't know, how long was it? From 11 to the 12. So more than 24 hours of consolidation. We said, oh man, it's gonna be a huge break. It's gonna be crazy, man. So a break came back to the range, any break. Oh, big break, big break. Something happened like this on GJ, a 24-hour consolidation. I'm telling you, they just shoot like 100 pips at least, So this is EJ, man. He moves so slow, man. Oh man, I cannot trade that. Moves as slow as my grandmother. So yeah. So, but if you look at the 15 minutes, I will not take a trade here if you don't close above 126,500. Man, is strong. This is, you see, respected, respected, rejection, 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 rejection. I mean, yeah. I will wait for close above, but I would definitely wait for 30 minutes to close above. That would be my game plan. So this is for GJ, not GJ, EJ. So let's take a look very quickly. So we got this here. We've got clean traffic. So yeah, if you wait for this 30-minute to close and it close above, I think you can have a decent trade. Um, oh my gosh, you only have like 6 pips to the next zone. So yeah, no, I would not take that. Yeah. Yeah, it's EJ's in a mess right now because like here you're only gonna have like 6 pips, and if you break this resistance, you're going back into the stupid goat shit. So you don't want to trade there. So I would wait for something under like 126,250 for sells, or buys, I'm gonna go above 126, above 126,720. So that's my idea. Looking at GA though, I'm looking at GA lately. I'm looking at GA and gold lately a lot. Um, I find GA is moving very well, um, and respected zone very well also. So let's do a top-down analysis on GA just for fun. Um, I'm part of your Telegram, but Zoom is being super slow on my computer today, so YouTube it is for me today. Oh, no problem, Amanda. No problem. Yeah, sometimes technology, eh? It is what it is. Hold on. Let's see, where's my oh guys. Did I send the link in our Discord? Okay, I was not sure, but it looked like I sent the link. All right. Um, all right, so let's do something on, let's delete everything. Let's delete everything and start from scratch. So let's go on the monthly very quickly. This is GA by the way. Donc, on va faire une analyse de le pound avec le dollar australien. Je trouve que c'est une paire qui bouge quand même très bien récemment. Puis, j'aime bien ce que je vois jusqu'à date avec cette paire-là. So, if we see on the monthly, we create resistance. We pushed back down yesterday, broke previous low. I had this discussion with, I can't remember what, I think it was Zane. Did I have this discussion with you, Zane? I think so, eh? Yeah? Okay. Are you able to unmute yourself? Oh, wait a second. Allow participant to unmute themselves. Oh, here we go. Now you should. Oh, sorry, guys. Oh, sorry, guys. All right, so by the way, guys, if you didn't like the stream yet, smash that like button. So, guys, if you don't see on YouTube, if you're on Zoom, you cannot see it, but we have animation on YouTube right now that smashing a like button like this. So, anyways, this is me being a kid. Okay, so let's go back to GA for a second. Morning champ, morning Adil. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the stream. That would be very appreciated. Donc, si on regarde ici sur le daily, donc on n'a pas oui, on a brisé le lot précédent de peine, de justesse en fait. Techniquement, on devrait continuer de descendre jusqu'à au moins, je dirais, au moins pour remplir ici, là. OK, donc 721.13. So we should come down to at least 721.13 today. That's what I'm thinking. Looking at the weekly, I mean, we're trending bearish right now for GA. So we right now, I mean, we don't have a bottom wick. So the candle actually started during Asian session, pushing back up, respecting previous high. So the second half of this candle should come push down. So of course, if we break this low, I mean, it's gonna be interesting. Like I said, we should go to at least fill this wick here on the weekly, and after that, come second target is going to be right here. So looking at the daily here, looking at the daily, this candle is not closed yet, so we cannot say that we have a resistance. But looking at this, we have one right here, and this is on the daily, right? So that's looking good, man. Trending bearish. We create a new low on the daily, come back up, and now we should retest that low. Looking at 4 hour. This is GA, by the way. Donc, si on regarde le 4 heures ici, donc on a créé un nouveau bas sur le 4 heures. On est remonté vers le haut, puis là, techniquement, on devrait revenir retester Sabota. So for people that loves chart patterns, we got this magic shampoo pattern. So head and shoulders, right? Head, shoulder, shoulder, and entry should be around here, right? So for people that trades that. I don't trade it, but I use it a hint, right? Donc, j'utilise pas vraiment les patterns, mais je les utilise comme des indices. Donc, on a la tête ici, on a l'épaule là, donc on devrait pouvoir rentrer autour d'ici. Um, yeah, we should retest that low now, you know? So it looks good. So if you look on the 4 hour, we got this resistance here. Um, we got this minor support here that we need to break, and after that we should be good to go. So looking at 1 hour, here, let's put that nice, 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 nice here. That's good, right? And yeah, I mean, as soon as we break and close under this, which is also a QP, I think it's going to be amazing. We can get a nice sell here to at least this zone. It's going to be first target. How many pips is that? I'm not used to GU pips. Oh, that's pretty good. 30 pips. Oh yeah, that's gonna be amazing. I think that can be a nice sell here. Amazing, amazing. So if you look at this, um, bum, 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 bum. So let's see. What is it? Oh, 5, 250. Yeah. Okay. I'm confused with those numbers. So those 250 SM. So those are QP quarter points. Um, Usually price respect those psychological levels. Um, I'm gonna leave it there. That's fine. And 500, and we're gonna get 750 right here, and we're gonna get 750. Here we go. Here, boom. All right. So you see how I respected well, right on the dot. Man, G is respecting QP very well also. Amazing. All right, so that's gonna be interesting to watch GA. Um, yep. GJ? Sure. Sure. Okay, you sent a chart, sorry. I just saw it. Um, well, let me remove that smash button for a second because it's been there for a while. Hopefully people smash that like button. Um, all right. So, oh yeah, show me. Okay, perfect. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think that first of all, man, always having a hard time saying that. Based on fundamentals, I'm pretty sure that that's gonna go down. But again, I don't trade fundamentals, but I use that as a hint, of course. And based on what I saw on the chart previously, every time we tried to break 142, we rejected it, and the only time we were above 142, it was back in February 2020. That was before COVID. So I'm not sure that price ready to go there. So we'll see. I mean, technically speaking, we are bullish, right? But we'll see. You see, again, we rejected it. Yes, we close above, but create resistance just above. Usually, you see this 250 usually is an overshot that we call overshot rejection. So that means that we should come back down under that key level. But, anything can happen. So we'll see. So technically speaking, we are bullish, right? But I will not be surprised for price to come back down and retest that low. And again, if we break this, I mean 142,570, I mean it's gonna be a beautiful sell. Look at this clean traffic to the left. It's gonna be amazing. And again, if we go above this zone, it's gonna be an amazing buy. So right now I'm trying to focus on less quantity, better quality setups. So I'm gonna be super, super, super patient. Um, yeah, I mean this is all a psychological game, right? So you want to put all the odds on your favors. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Yeah. When you will start to streaming at 1080p? I just received my new monitor, so I received it yesterday, but I didn't have time to install it. So technically, this is the last stream on 720. Uh, Hopefully, if everything works out, because technology sometimes, man, piss me off. But yeah, the thing is, I cannot stream. I tried to stream on my main monitor, which is my 49-inch screen. The problem is, even if I get the screen smaller, OBS doesn't understand the 49-inch screen, so it's kind of all of messed up. So I had to stream on my old monitor, so that's why now I bought a new one. So that was the missing part of the new setup. I need to install an ARM also to my left, so I'm gonna have my PC to my left for my yeah. So I got to manage two mouse, so now sometimes I'm lost. But yeah, I'm gonna have my PC to the left for my MT4, and yeah, is my magic key working? Let's put this on. Open cat. Yes, it worked. All right, great. Donc oui, c'est ça. Donc techniquement, ça devrait être la dernière stream en 720 pour YouTube. Donc on devrait aller à 1080 la semaine prochaine. J'ai reçu mon nouveau moniteur. C'était la dernière pièce qui manquait de mon nouveau setup. Donc nouvelle caméra, nouveau micro, nouvel ordinateur, nouveau keyboard, nouveau moniteur. Bref, c'est ça. So, new webcam, new mic, new monitor, new computer, new mouse, new keyboard. So, new pretty much everything, right? So, I'm keeping my 49-inch though. I love that 49-inch because when I put training view on it and I put full screen, man, I can see so far behind, I can see so far to the left side. I don't have to scroll. But with Mac and that magic mouse, look what I can do. I can just do like this and it scroll to the left. Look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I love this. Just for this, man, you want a trackpad or you want a magic mouse. Trust me, it's fun. Oh, look at this guy. This guy got a trackpad. Here we go. Yeah, it's nice, man. But it doesn't work on Chrome. So if you open Trading View on Chrome, doesn't seems to be working. So only it works with Safari. Mr. Sasha, how long did you trade in demo account? How long did you trade the demo account? I trade demo account for a pretty long time. Maybe almost a year, I would say. Almost a year, but it was not only demo account, it was like back testing, simulations. Yeah, yeah, took me a while. But again, when you jump to the live market, it's totally different, totally different. Because now you got emotions to manage, and which is to me, it's one of the hardest part of trading. It's managing emotions. Um, yeah. Oh yeah, definitely. People think trading is easy. Trust me, it's not. It's probably one of the hardest thing I had to do. Uh, yeah. I have a 29 ultra wide, so nice. Yes. Oh yes. And people that have a Mac, I didn't know that, but I can use where's my iPad? God damn it. I don't know where's my iPad, but I figured that you can have how do you call that? Sidecar. Yeah, sidecar. It's an option, not an option, but the settings that you can press, and it use your iPad as a second screen. So it's pretty cool, man. I was not a lover. I never really liked Apple, but now I'm starting to discovering that man, they are so much in advance. It's crazy, crazy, crazy. How is your average return from trading per month? I would say around like between 10 to 18% right now. That's my thing. There are some months I did like 30, but I'm being averaging around there. And that's what something I want to change because and the reason why it's a little lower, it's because uh, sometimes I'm taking entries that I should not take because it's more risky. So now I'm reducing my risk. But last year, sometimes I was reducing risk, sometimes I was keeping the same risk. So that's why I kind of screwed up all my average. But from scratch, it should be better because now I'm managing my risk very, very well. I love it. Oh man, trading option. Can't wait. Can't wait, man. I wish, man, I would put on a show. Yeah, yeah. Oh well. I'm doing in a demo the same. What can you suggest to me to start doing live? If yes, what to consider different from demo? Well, like I said, emotion is the key thing, right? Emotion is the key thing. Until you get money at risk, um, you're gonna be feeling really. Sorry, my voice is going away. But until you have money at risk, it's different. It's totally different. Once you have money at risk, suddenly now you want to close early. You want to close, or you're gonna close your loss too late because you hoping for price to come back in profit, and you were at minus 2 pips, 3 pips. You could have closed, but you said, "Oh no, man, it's gonna come back. It's gonna come back. It's gonna come back," and boom, minus 10 pip, minus 20 pips, and now you're screwed, right? So that's the emotion part of it, and that is the hardest part. This is the hardest part, and it took me months to be able to go through that. And again, guys, this is a process. I wish I can tell you there's a magic way to skip that, but there's none. It's a process. You have to go through it. You're gonna have to lose some money. I'm telling you guys, you're gonna have to lose some money to be able to win some. This is a fact. There's no one who put like I don't know $1,000 in a trading account or 5,000 or 500, whatever the amount, and didn't get any loss and just suddenly win, and double the account. That doesn't happen. This not call this is not a get quick rich thing. It's a process. You're gonna have to go through the process of losing, of frustration, of wanting to quit. I have people sending me DMs every day. Every single day, I have people saying, "Man, I feel like I want to quit." I was like, "Yeah, you can quit, but if you quit, I mean, the market just beat you, you know? So are you gonna let the market beat you, or are you gonna go back at it, you know? I mean, every time I lose a trade, I'm like, all right, so what can I improve? You know, how can I be better? How can I strike back? How can I punch that market right in the face? You know, how can I do it? So yeah, so go back to the chart, see where was your best entry and why you took that entry. Um, that's what you need to do. That's why trading, journaling become really, really important. So, donc la plupart des gens me demandent souvent, tu sais, puis je reçois souvent des textes ou des messages à chaque jour, des gens qui sont sur le bord de quitter, puis sont comme, ah, Sacha, c'est difficile, je veux lâcher. Euh, mais non, si tu lâches, c'est le marché qui t'a battu. À la place, tu devrais dire, OK, comment je peux revenir plus fort pour frapper le marché direct au visage et donner un bon uppercut? Comment je peux faire ça? Et puis pour ça, il faut que tu retournes sur ton chart, voir, OK, comment j'ai entré, comment j'ai sorti, qu'est-ce qui aurait été ma meilleure entrée, comment j'aurais pu prendre cette entrée-là. C'est pour ça que de faire un journal de vos trades à chaque jour, puis de comprendre les erreurs ou les apprentissages qui auraient dû être faits, c'est très, très, très important. C'est primordial. C'est primordial. Puis si vous pensez que commencer à trader demain matin, vous allez être profitable demain matin, je vous le dis, je vous annonce une mauvaise nouvelle tout de suite, ça ne sera pas le cas. Vous allez perdre de l'argent. Vous devez perdre de l'argent. C'est un processus. C'est un processus. Avant de faire de l'argent, vous devez en perdre. Okay? Il n'y a personne qui a ouvert un compte et par magie, tout d'un coup, il a mis 5 000 dans son compte, puis il a doublé son compte sans perdre d'argent. Ça n'existe pas. C'est une histoire de fée des dents. Là. Ça n'existe pas. Et les personnes qui croient à ça, c'est les mêmes personnes qui croient au Père Noël. Okay? Donc s'il vous plaît, faites-vous pas ça. Mettez-vous pas cette pression-là de devoir gagner tout de suite dans l'immédiat. Mettez-vous l'exemple que vous devez perdre. C'est un jeu de chiffres. OK? Ça veut dire que éventuellement, le plus de pertes que tu vas avoir, le plus de gains que tu vas avoir. Ça va avec. C'est sûr et certain. Parce qu'avec ces pertes-là, tu vas apprendre et tu vas devenir meilleur. Donc, à un moment donné, à chaque fois que tu perds un trade, mets la date de ce trade-là, mets-le dans un pot. Plus que ton pot de perte va se remplir, plus que ton pot de gain va se remplir. Puis fais la même chose avec tes gains. OK? So guys, if you losing and taking, I just translate what I said just before, right? So basically, if you're losing right now, what I will do is, if you're losing, take a paper, put the date of the losing trade, put it in a bowl, in a bowl, bocal, I don't know, recipient, right? Put the date of the trade, and maybe the name of the setup you took. Put that in that bowl, right? Every time you lose, put that date in a bowl. The more it goes, that bowl is gonna fill up, right? The more this bowl fill up, you're gonna do the same thing with the winning trade. You're gonna put the date and you're gonna put in a bowl. More the losing, more dates you have on your losing bowl, automatically the winning one's gonna fill up. The reason why is because every time you're losing, you're going back at the chart and learning and getting better, right? So of course, every time you're losing, of course, this winning bowl is gonna fill up at one point. So yeah. So that was just my little talk this morning. Hi Sasha, can you please check this? My bias is sell on GJ based on market structure. What do you think? Right now, technically, it's bullish, right? Um, Technically, I mean, it's bullish as we speak, but like I said, I think it's gonna go down because based on fundamentals, I mean, every time we tried to break 142, we rejected it in the past. And the last time we were above 142 was in February 2020, before the COVID. So I'm I'm telling myself I'm not sure that the market is ready to go to above 142 because technically the economy is not back to normal. And when price was above 142, it was when economy was normal. So I don't think, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we can go to above 142 and I'll be happy because we got a lot of clean traffic and it's going to be amazing, right? But I think, I'm pretty sure it's going to be a sell today. So that's what I'm looking at. So right now we just created resistance. I mean, even if you want to take a sell right now, the problem is like it was like 17-ish pips, but we have a problem right here. This is a minor resistance here. So I don't like that. I don't like the fact that we have a small range here. And yeah, so that's why I'm waiting right now. So I'm waiting. To be honest, the best sell will be under here, like 141, 560, something like that, right? So under this, after that, if you look to the left, I mean, let me get those. Um, Bonjour, bonjour. Ça va bien? Ben oui. All right. So if you look at this here, I mean, if we break under here, looking to the left, we got this clean traffic, and next target will be this QP, which is 141. And yeah, so but if we go up, whoops, I'm waiting to break this zone. If we break and close above this zone, it's gonna be beautiful buys. But until then, I'm being very careful because this level here, 142, is very strong. So, and again, last time we were above 142 was in February 2020 when the economy was normal. So I don't think we're back to normal in the economy yet. So no, especially not in the UK. I don't know if we have some people from England, but I'm pretty sure they can agree with that. Yeah. Oh wow, that's not cool. So looking at GJ right now, if you look, I mean, people are trying to tell sales here. This is a small body candle, right? So rejected, rejected, small body candle. I would wait. I would wait for a bigger candle. This is like almost a doji, right? For me, this will consider like as a write-off candle, to be honest. I will not consider this candle. Man. All right. So yeah, so we got to be patient. So I'm like I said before, I'm working on less quantity, better quality setup. Especially that now it's been a while since I didn't have like three loss in a row, so I want to make sure I don't get a fourth loss today. So um, um, I missed some stuff here on Zoom. Hi Sasha, can you please check this? Oh no, yeah, that's fine. Your idea can work, but at this moment the bias is bullish. Yes, correct. Um, yep. Oh, where was it? On Instagram? Oh yeah. When I stream, I don't look at Instagram. Oh, it's in the chat. Oh, sorry. Okay, okay, perfect. Oh, Simon, right here. Okay. Thank you, thank you. So let's take a look at this. Andrew's the man. Andrew's managing the chat, man. He's my chat manager. So all right, so this is Simon's chart. So yes, creating higher highs, higher lows, and here we respect it, right? So yeah, 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 yeah. When we get a break, this is a good example here on this chart. When we're gonna break this, those two lows, that's gonna be a break of structure. You know, that's gonna that's gonna call sells now. So that's why. Because right now, I mean, for people that do trend line, you see, that's why trend line is bullshit. It's just like okay, now, so now we put it here or we put it like this. How we do it. So eh, I know it's just like it's crazy. It's just like yes, yes, exactly. That's why I don't use trend lines. I use trend line as a visual support, just for me to see, okay, are we trending up or trending down? When your eyes gets used to it, you're not going to be using trend lines anymore. I don't use it, but at first when you let's say it's been like, I don't know, a couple weeks you trade, a couple months, you still need those trend lines just visually, just to understand, are we bullish or are we bearish? So that's the only reason why I would use trend lines. Um, but yeah, that's just me personally, right? So what the I was trying to erase that. Sorry. Um, yep. Oops. Sorry, Andrew. Sorry. Go out. Sorry. Go, Zane. Sorry. Yep. Oh, nice. Where was your chart again? Zane was right here. Oh, right here. Yeah. You got to be careful though with that golden zone, because if you look, it worked, and that's great. But the golden zone, if you go against like the 1 hour trend, sometimes you're gonna have a bad surprise, because this is bullish, right? So you need to put your fibs from down to up and not the opposite, right? So it worked and it played out, but most of the time you're gonna have a bad surprise if you do that. Because if you put a selling a selling fib when this is bullish, it's really really hard because the main trend is bullish, right? So, but yeah, that's the only thing that sometimes people get confused with, and you gotta be careful. But yeah, man, that's good job. Good job. Yeah. So you see, if we're going bullish right now, technically this would be our goal zone. Sure. Yeah. But again, we gotta be sometimes, let me put the arrow here. Um, you gotta remember that this is our most recent traffic, right? So if we had problem, this candle would have problem breaking, right? But it went like boom, straight up. So, but it's reacting to this. But my main problem with this entry would not be necessarily this here. It would be the fact that the zone is right here and this is a tight range. Yeah, so that would be the main problem for me personally. Exactly, because zones are not a specific destination. They are areas. So that's why, when you let's say you aim this zone, well, you tap right into it, this one too, this one too. But sometimes it will go just around here, this one, and start rejecting. So that's something that can happen sometimes. So you got to be careful when you have a tight range because it's not because you have a zone that we're going to tap into that zone. But we might be close to it, but not exactly to it. So that's why, let's say you have 15 pips, 15 pip range, it's really tight because it doesn't mean we're going to go down to 10 pip. Maybe it's going to go down to 10 or 8 and start pushing back up. So, what? Really? Okay, let me see that. Can you check this chart? Okay, so YouTube, let's try to figure this out. How? Yeah, I'm not talking alone, guys. So, man. Sorry, guys. Sorry on YouTube. Okay, let me try to figure out here. Uh, source, source, media source. Let's get uh display capture, no. Audio output capture. Oh, that's maybe what I'm missing. Okay, let's do a test. Sorry, YouTube. So device, let's put uh default. What's default? Okay. Okay, can someone in the Zoom talk? Hello. Can you guys hear Zane talking? Yeah, can you guys in the Zoom talk a little bit? So do a 1 2 1 2 test check. Uh, so I'm still talking alone. God damn. Okay, so I'm gonna have to do some digging on that later on. So sorry about that, guys. Um, yeah, so I'm gonna look crazy because I'm gonna look like I'm talking alone, but I reassure you, I'm not talking alone. So, all right, so let's take a look at the chat here because I missed some stuff here on the YouTube. Um, Guys, if you didn't smash that like button, do so. Um, all right, so let's see here. I have 20. If hourly low breaks, yes. Thank you very much for your response and time. Thanks for offering free stuff. You're welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. Can you check this chart? Oh, yes, we'll do. We will do. Copy. We will. We will rock you. Paste. Oh, got this, this. All right, so this is chart coming from, I missed his name. Or Un. I don't know. All right, so this is GG 30 minutes. Oh, people took a sell here. Yee, we got some cowboy in the place. This is really risky. Hopefully it works for you. Um, but yes. Um, Hopefully you secure some profit when we wick down. Um, oh, man, we wick down only 7 pips. So, oh, that's the 1 hour. Sorry, that's the 1 hour. But Yeah. So hopefully you secure some profits and put your stuff at break even because this is a tight range. This is if we continue bullish, this would be our rejection zone to continue bullish. And at this point, I mean, if we have a support being formed, I think that's gonna be no, because we got 142 right there. Damn it. I didn't say nothing. Um let's remove that smash button. Okay. Can you check this chart? That's the one we did, right? Okay, perfect. I'm short to retest the low. Okay, we got some people taking sells. God damn. Swing trade from Hugo. All right, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Paste. All right, so this is from Hugo. This is on the daily chart. We got our magic trend line here, um, supporting that um, bullish ideas. We got another trend lines here that says that yeah, we're going into a triangle formation, and if we break this, we should continue up. That's Pfizer 90% effective COVID-19 vaccine, Saudi Arabia insurance, that OPC plus oil output there. Okay, perfect. So you guys look a lot. Oh, that's CAD. That's CAD Swiss. Oh shit. Okay. Um, Price action has been respecting an ascending trend line since mid-March with progressive entry at 6. Oh, that's pretty good. Man, I respect people that do swing trade. I cannot do it. It's just like I can't. I too much stress. I can't. Man, you guys are good. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense if you break this. Um, but that's on the daily, right? Yeah, can't Swiss. I'm trying to see here. This. We got this candle. Trying to. We got bullish. Yeah, for me, I mean, look, if I was swing trading, uh, I would probably be taking an entry above this zone, but that's your first TP. Interesting stuff. All right. Hey, can anyone hear the other guys on this YouTube stream? Oh yeah, sorry guys. No, we can't hear the other people on Zoom. Yeah, someone's gonna have to help me with that. I don't, and I don't understand why. That's weird. That is weird. Oh, maybe it's the Zoom setting though. Zoom setting maybe. Same as system. Let's try that. Can someone speak in the Zoom? Can any can YouTube hear some other people right now? On YouTube or on Zoom? Yeah, go. Still no? God damn. Okay, okay. I don't understand. No, nothing? Okay. Well. Sorry guys. So I will try to find the problem. Yeah, wrong sound system. God damn. Oh well, it is what it is. All right, so let's see here. What else we got? This is chart from Simon. England team don't play. Yeah, sorry, I missed some chat conversation here. Doing this master, da, 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 blah blah blah. Okay, you can see the GU chart. Okay. All right, so GU. Let's take a look. GU 60 minutes. Donc, ça, c'est le pound avec le dollar américain en 1 heure. So resistance level created for support, but is breakout, retest, no trade zone, rejection for break, for buy, wait for break, 136, 585. This is 1 hour. Oh yes, definitely. Yes. Yes. The what, sorry? Oh yeah, definitely. And you can expect a wick fill here, you know. You can expect to wick fill this wick. Yeah, you should get it. Yeah, you yeah, I mean, if you look at GU, where's my GU chart? Right. If you're looking at GU right now, let's do this. Let's do this. This was a shitty consolidation. Right here, we broke, came back down, broke. Next target right here. Oh, you were on 1 hour, right? So this. Yeah, so of course, if you're coming back into this zone, don't do nothing. After this, though, if you're going back down to this zone, you're gonna have a clean sell also. You got some clean traffic to the left, and you get an option to buy above like 136, 600, right? So, so yeah, definitely wait for break, break and close, wait for break and close, and that should do it. And you got some nice clean traffic. Oh yeah, no, exactly. It's a no trade zone. I mean, there's what? Yeah. You got like what, 15 pips? So and you got a minor resistance right here, right? So so yeah, I will not take any entry here or here. I will wait for here or here. So that's why you want to try to do. It's like skip those risky setup and focus on better quality, less quantity, right? So yeah, that's my new motto for this year. Less quantity, better quality. Yeah, exactly. Let's take a look. Yeah, exactly. And the past 3 days, I think I was a little too excited and was trying to. Yeah. Anyways, I yeah, yeah. Yeah. Well, it's part of the process, right? It's part of the process. It's part of going through those emotions. And I think everyone can. Yeah. Oh, exactly, exactly. And I told my wife, I was like, you know what? Next year I'll wait after the second weeks of January. So that's it. So as you see, GA right now is breaking. Yeah, it's pretty good. What? Well, it's not a wife top. It's still technically a girlfriend, but for me it's like a wife, you know. So so yeah. Oh, geez, the stash is late. What what's up the stash? Yep. All right, so Michelle, what are you looking for on GJ today? So basically, I'm waiting for oh, Jesus here. So I'm waiting for either to break this zone and go above 142, 142 right here. The thing is with 142, the problem is most of the time we rejected 142, and the last time we were above 142 was in February 2020, when economy was normal. So I don't think economy is ready to go to normal. So based on fundamentals, I think we're gonna go bearish. But technically speaking, we are still bullish, right? So, but yeah, we'll see. So basically, for me, this right now, I mean, if it closed like this, we're gonna get a minor resistance with a nice engulfing bearish. But the problem is, we get this zone to the downside, very close to it, and this is a golden zone based on the fib rejection on the bullish side. So technically, we should dip into this and start pushing back up. If we break this, let me get the arrow. If we break this zone, is going to be a change of structure, and we're going to go to the downside, right? So, and that's going to be amazing because we're going to get clean traffic here to the next zone right here. You know, I should put a little. Maybe under 141 800, because under 141 800, if I got something nice, we have. Whoops. I think yeah, it's around that, right? So, ah man, what the hell? Shift click. Don't forget I got a Mac, right? Shift click and what? Yeah, whatever. Oh, oh man. There we go, finally. So yeah, 20-ish pips, yes. Oh yeah, of course, especially because I got this QP, right? So it all depends how it close, you know? It all depends how it close. Yep. Yeah, that's it, you know? Yeah, that should be fine. That should be fine. Poor Yeah, so I got two plans, you know, so it's either a buy or a sell. It's not a setup that I'm like 200% buys or 200% sells. I'm in between, you know, so that's why I planned two set up, two game plan, and we'll see how it goes. And sorry for people on YouTube that you guys can't hear our people on Zoom. I'm gonna be trying to fix that. Donc, principalement, quelqu'un a demandé qu'est-ce que j'attendais. J'attends soit une vente, euh, la vente la plus sécuritaire va être en dessous de 141 570, mais dépendamment comment ça ferme en dessous de 141 800, je serais peut-être tenté de prendre une petite entrée jusqu'à la prochaine zone, tout dépendamment comment ça ferme. Pour prendre une vente actuellement, c'est très risqué parce que oui, même si on a une belle chandelle ici qui va former une résistance, le problème est que la zone est très très proche, la bleue, et la jaune, c'est une zone de réjection dans le Fibonacci. Donc, techniquement, qui devrait repousser vers le haut. Euh, pour les achats, je vais regarder au-dessus de 142, 150. Donc, au-dessus de cette zone-là va être vraiment un excellent achat parce que sur la gauche, on va avoir voyons, je voulais dire du clean traffic en français, je n'étais plus capable de le dire. Bref, on va avoir l'espace libre jusqu'à 142, au moins jusqu'à 142 500 qui est le prochain QP, et on devrait taper dans cette prochaine zone-là. Donc, C'est un peu ce qu'on attend pour pound avec le yen. Euh, ouais, c'est ça. Marc a dit, d'après moi, on va être bon pour attendre jusqu'à midi. You think inflation rates could cause price to change for both countries? COVID did change the dynamic of currencies, especially with crypto coming up. I don't know, just my opinion. Crypto, crypto, I don't think it's gonna affect anything, to be honest. Crypto is just it's crypto is crypto, right? So I don't think I don't think crypto can affect the dollar still, you know. If we close above 142 level, are we good for long? Um, yes and no. The reality is if you close above here, the problem is you got this minor zone here at 6 pips, and you got this zone at like 13. You got this one at 10 pips, 13 pips, and 15 pips. So this is risky, you know, because we don't know we're gonna tap into this zone. We might reject before. Um, so that's why I want to break this zone first. So so 30 minutes. Right. That's the only thing that's, to be honest, if 142 wasn't there, I would probably be taking a buy right, like, what time is it now? It's in 5 minutes on the opening of the next candle, but this is a small body candle though. I would want like a bigger body candle and probably took a buy on the next one. But since 142 is there and we got this minor resistance here, I'm not touching it. Yeah, exactly. That's going to be a good indication that we might start to move up. Yep. Yeah, we got another trendy. Man, sometimes I look at some charts and I'm like, man, I don't even know how those guys does. I was just like, I like, phew. Yeah. I understand with what you are saying with trading above 142 in February 2020, but I believe things won't go back to normal. The damage has been done. Um, yeah, yeah, for sure. You know, I'm not saying going back like it was, but I'm just saying like economy reopening, it's more on this side what I'm thinking, you know. But right now, I mean, we're still like here we have a curfew, we have a curfew. I mean, all businesses are shut down, so economy is not open. It's not open, right? So, and in the UK, a lot of stuff are still closed, right? So I mean, that's the main problem. So when I say back to normal, I should not say back to normal. I should say when the economy is open up again, you know. So now we gotta be patient. Patient, patient. Exactly. Oh yeah, for sure, man. For sure. Okay, let's take a look at. I want to look at GA. GA. I really like how GA respect zone and QPs also, and it moves pretty good. I've been watching GA for the past 2 3 months, like secretly. Um, And yeah, I really like, and most of the paper trade I took was working pretty good. So I would say that my paper trade so far have been like 8 out of 10. So it's pretty decent. It might be something be willing to trade in the year, but still need to backtest some stuff. You know, It is what it is. Just for fun. Just for fun. Just for fun. You see, rejected that safety net, which is 760, and boom. Huh. Pas pire, ouais. Mais souvent, quand ça frappe 7-6-4, là, si ça traverse 7-6-4, c'est la fin du monde, là. C'est, attends-toi à perdre, là. Mais 7-6-4, généralement, c'est comme le safety net, là, tu sais. So usually 7-6-4, it's like a safety net, right? So if you broke 7-6-4 on the fib, usually prepare yourself to lose. But a lot of times 7-6-4 is going to be your safety net. La 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 la. What's up with gold? We didn't look at gold. What's up, gold? What up, gold? What up, gold? Mark says, I didn't even open my MT for. I'm so not motivated this morning because of price action. Yeah. Yeah, gold is doing that double bottom formation. Looking at 15 minute. Man, you don't want to trade in this range. Yeah. Yeah, you want to break above 1843 for sure. I mean, 18 yeah, 1843. Above that, yeah, man, you got this nice wick fill, clean traffic to the left. Hmm, cool. But I mean, it's bearish. If you look at the left, what we got to the left. Let's put to the 1 hour. Woo, it's Wick City, man. Whoa, look at those wick, man. That's the thing with man, gold has those crazy wicks. Phew, that's crazy. Insane. I've been back testing gold too. During Christmas time, I had some time, so it's GG, right? Yeah. Clean traffic for buys. Andrew, thank you. Sell down. If you look left, one, two, okay. So, thank you, Andrew, for managing the chat because sometimes I forgot. Look at this guy. Look at so paste. This is this is Mark's chart. High is made. Waiting to support to be formed to retest the high. Bullish momentum. Yes, makes sense. Yeah, you need a rocket. That'd be funny. GA just went bullish. GA just went bullish. Yeah. Yeah. Right. It's a support, but if you look at GA, there's a minor zone here, right? So, I mean, all right. But after this, though, if it breaks, I think he can have a nice buy on GA. I'm in a GJ buy from 141 600 with a small lot to test my patience. Not fun. Oh yeah, man, don't do this to yourself. Man, this is like 141, what do you say? 141 600? 141. One 141 600. Oh, right here. Oh, geez, dude. So you're swing trading, I guess. 600. That was right here. Wow. God damn. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah. That's a crazy entry, Karen. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, first swing trade for Karen. Oh, okay. Yeah, swing trade is Oh man. Guys, make sure you smash that like button on YouTube. Don't, don't forget to subscribe. Smash. Yes, sir. Yeah, I need to announce it on IG. Yeah, so I'm gonna draw a magic key. Yeah, I'm gonna draw a magic key. I didn't decide how yet, but as soon as we get 1,000 subscriber on YouTube, we're gonna draw that magic key, man. Oh shit. Sign. Oh, I'll put a. You know what? I'll sign the box with a paw of my dogs. Uh, Aí tá sem intense maintenant. Yeah, I think the one I get the most view, I think it's the my funding talent review. I think like I got 1K, one something. But the video I get the most views is out of all my videos on YouTube is my one from AC still, I think. 15 years ago. Yeah. Hey, you know what? You know what? Raja sent me a message a couple of days ago. I said, "Man, I just watch it, and you know what? I feel inspired, and yeah, yeah, that was that was pretty cool." Um, but the video I get the most views still though, except those one on YouTube, it's the one on IG with Raja. Actually, the one we did the hookah night, we have more than 20K view. Yeah. That was pretty cool. Ah ouais, c'est ça. Ah non, c'était cool. C'était vraiment le fun. C'était ouais. Probably gonna do another one. That would be fun. That would be fun. Ouais, Chart Addict. Ouais. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Definitely. No. No. Never. Voilà, c'est ça. C'est ça. Now, I was supposed to go meet Raja, but after that, I mean, COVID happened and shit hit the fan. So that's why that hookah night was at first, we were supposed to meet together and have a hookah together, right? So that was the plan. But since shit hit the fan, I said, man, let's have one together, but virtually, and maybe, why not including all our followers, with us. So he said, yeah, that would be a good idea. So so we did it, and it was fun. Well, no, c'est ça. Because I tried, to be honest, I tried to reach out to a couple of the other mentors, and I said, "Hey, man," and there are some of them that have this small relation on IG. We exchange sometimes, and we do some other stuff. But and I offered them to do the same concept, and they were like, nah, no, man, I don't want to give free advice. People need to pay for my course. And I was like, oh, man, seriously? I'm like, seriously, dude? I'm like, come on. Oh, yeah. Yeah. But it's, yeah. And to be honest, he has a lot of students. And the difference with Raja and most of them is most of them don't have a mentorship, right? Don't forget about that. It's only a course. So you can have like 10,000 students if you want, you know. But in Raj's shoes, I mean, you cannot have like 20,000, 10,000, because at one point, I mean, you're gonna freak out because I mean, everyone's gonna be sending you chart and questions, and man, I've been doing it for free on Instagram for like almost a year now, and every day I receive tons of charts. So man, I can't imagine like how it is for him, So yeah, at one point he stopped taking student because I mean, it was getting big, and you want to make sure you give quality time to your students. So so that's the main idea. This is not just a course, it's the same concept like we're trying to do, myself, Stefanos, Charlene, Monty, we all have the same idea, and all came from Raja, right? So I mean, for me, having just a course doesn't make sense. Just doesn't make sense. Yeah, you need to support. No, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's like in sports, you can try to train by yourself, but if you have a team and a coach, man, you're gonna go to the next level. Yeah, yeah, true. Man, I need to figure out that sound problem. What? Yeah. Wait, 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 wait. Yeah, yeah. Change, change. On the Telegram? It On the Telegram, it's not a chart. Oh, I see. I see. I can do that. Okay, wait a second. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, real soon, probably, you know what? Maybe I'm gonna release that tomorrow. Oh, for Forex stock over beer. No, Andrew. Shh. Andrew, you don't want to be banned. Yeah. Man, what about I don't ban you? So I just changed the picture. It's um but yeah, so what I'll do is, yeah, Friday for Forex Talk over a beer, I'm gonna release the my logo for the for Forex Dogs Academy. So yeah. So I'm gonna be able to use those logo now for, let's say, Telegram and YouTube, and yeah. So I'm gonna have a banner for YouTube coming along. Yeah. It looks like it's, yeah. And that support was right in the golden zone also. Yeah, the stash is like it's giving. I love it. Yes, right at it. Oh yeah, yeah. That's why I'm waiting for 15 minutes, because you see, we closed like barely above 142, So this is not a strong close, you know. Yeah. So for me, it's a no go. No go. I'm ready to miss. I'm ready to miss that move. And that's the thing, when you focus on better quality, less quantity, you got to be willing to miss moves, So maybe I'm going to be missing that move, completely to the upside. But I don't think too, but everything's possible. Talking. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's crazy. Like, I mean, say a couple months ago, many months ago. Oh, yes, I was muted. Sorry. So yeah, many months ago, it was like, I can't remember when it was exactly, but many months ago, I started to we started to do some trade by ourselves, without watching the stream. And it was exciting knowing that you took the same trade without knowing. So it was like, oh man, okay, we finally got this shit. So your entry, Sasha buys. No. Hey, Sasha, just wondering if you have a discount code for Trixie. It's yes. Not officially yet. I should receive it in the next couple of days. And that's gonna be one of the perks for students. So yeah. I can't remember what he told me. I need to check my DMs. Non, non, mais c'est des mois gratuits, là. Ouais. So it's gonna be like couple 3 months. I can't remember how many. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty dope. So it's gonna be cool. Ouais, ouais. Non, exactement. So you see right now, if you're taking a buy right now, I mean, it's just know it's risky. It can reverse at any moment right now. 142 is a very, very strong key level, and like we've been talking about since the beginning, like last time, and I don't know if other people spot that, but if you go back to your chart, I mean, last time we were above 142. If we do this and we do this, I'm gonna go get mine. Oh yeah, I just press it. So you see, this uh, is right here, right? So last time we were at 142. It was like in February 2020. We were above, and COVID happened like around like end of February, and wham, smash down, very, very down from one. Look at this. This is crazy when you look at it. We were at like 144 500 on the 21st. Whoops, what I did. Goddamn. We're at 124. Oh, wait a second. It was right here, right? Yeah, on the 21st. And look in literally, oh my gosh, man, look at this. That day, man, for people that took sales between the 21 and the 28. So that's 7 days, right? 7 days. In 7 days, no, 28, 28. In 7 days, we went from 144 to 137 in 7 days. That's insane. That's crazy, man. And yeah, hmm, that's crazy, man. Oh yeah. Oh, nice. You see, I'm learning stuff. Awesome. Every day I'm shuffling. Yeah. You see, we rejected the 142 again. Huh. See, rejection, 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 rejection. Yeah, this is a no fun zone. Man, GJ, man, what's up? Ouais, moi aussi. All right, so let's take a look at GA. What happened to GA? Nothing. Ah oui? Ooh. Ouais, ouais. So gold did nothing. So all the market, what the hell? Oh shit, I can look at this, look at this. Oh, 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 oh. No, double tap on my mouse. It's a magic mouse gesture. Look at this, look at this. Oh. Yeah, new webcam. Yeah, new webcam and new mic, new monitor. Oh boy. Yeah, I can wait to. Yeah. That's it. Yeah. No, nothing's gonna happen. Yeah, usually it moves. I think it's tomorrow, no? Today? Dun, dun, dun. Yeah. Mm, God damn. I watch Forex live. Forex live usually, I mean, some most of the time they actually ahead of Forex Factory, to be honest. Yeah. That face, man, seriously. Look at what? Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah, not still trying to. Uh, um, all right, so one price is ranging. Okay, let's read that here. Okay, so price is ranging while respecting the 17500. This happened in this happened in the past and the result in a big move to the upside, waiting for a close above 175,850. Oh yeah, yeah, missing the wheelchair. Here we go. Boom. For wheelchairs. Um, EJ has a nice move down. Yeah, 5 pips. Ooh, okay, okay. Um, yeah, GA. Yeah, we want to close above for sure. For sure, my friend. Yeah, GA is starting to set up nicely. And you guys says EJ? EJ. Well, EJ is yeah, I mean, I would not trade that. This is goat shit, right? Yeah, I mean, anyone who took that, to be honest, congratulations, you're officially cowboy of the day. Um, so yeah, you're gonna lose everything tomorrow. All right, so again, this 30-minute close under 142, and it's a no-go. Man, GJ has been working my patience so much. Man, yeah. Uh, yeah, I close above the zone, barely, but yeah. Yeah, it's setting. Yeah, it's too bad I wasn't watching. God damn it. Yeah, but what I've seen so far though with GA is most of the time they will give you that retest though. Yeah. So it's not like GJ. GJ will just shoot up and just say like, "Hey, here," and I'm out. Just like GJ will just push hard and just don't give you the retest, right? But GA, most of the time, what I've seen so far, will give you that retest. So I think we can break, come back down, create a support, and push back up. I think that would be the perfect setup. And we got clean traffic to the left side, right? So we just got this major level here that can be a pain in the butt, but except that, I mean, yeah, it looks nice. Looks nice for GA. Yeah, boy. GA looking good. GJ is starting to break 142 again for the fifth attempt. So, so can you imagine someone like I'm sure there's people who actually took a buy right here, right when we broke. So this candle created support, broke previous high, people took entries. I can bet money on it. I can bet money on it. And now suddenly, boom, in a drawdown, and now they're coming back. It's like, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So now take your profit. So because right now, I mean, oh yeah. Sometimes what I do with GJ, yeah, of course, when, and the question is, would you trade more on 1 hour if 30 minutes is messy? Yes. Most of the time, that's what I do. I'm going to look at 1 hour, when 30 minutes is messy, and I'm going to take my entry on 1 hour. So this one on 1 hour, what time is it now? What time? I'm not used with this Mac. Usually I got, okay, so yeah. Actually, it's on Trading View. So yeah, so we got 26 minutes left to that 1 hour in the previous 30 minute, right? So I mean, this 1 hour, if it close above like this, let's say, or maybe a little bigger, um, that would be amazing. That would be amazing because 1 hour support most of the time is respected. We rejected the golden zone. The other thing too, we need to take a look at, so basically, we rejected this, giving power to the candle to move. Now, if we break here above, creating this support on H1, I think we can have a good trade to this zone. The reason why is the timing, right? So it's going to be 8 o'clock after that one. So 8 o'clock, will the NY volume pumped in, and with with that volume, now we can expect breaking this zone. So, but if it was like 7 o'clock, I will not take this trade here, 'cause I would not have the volume to break this zone to push hard, right? So timing is everything. So yeah, I think GG right now is trying to set up nicely. So we might see something interesting. So let me do that in French quickly. Donc, présentement, si on regarde, on a la zone ici dans la zone de réjection Fibonacci, qu'on appelle la Golden Zone. Donc, on a créé un support ici en H1 et généralement sur le chart de l'heure, généralement, le support va être respecté à 80%. On n'a pas de wick en bas. So far, we don't have a down wick also on H1. So if it closes like this, it's a very good indication that we're going to start pushing up. Maintenant, si on ferme aussi en haut de 142, qui est un niveau majeur, ça va nous donner une indication qu'on continue vers le haut. On va pouvoir prendre une entrée sur la prochaine chandelle de 8 heures. Puis pourquoi? Tantôt, je ne voulais pas prendre un trade ici. C'est que à l'heure qu'on avait, on n'avait pas le volume nécessaire pour briser cette zone-là. Okay? Tandis que là, à 8 heures, 8 heures et demie, on va avoir le volume nécessaire pour briser la zone avec l'ouverture du marché new-yorkais. Donc, ça pourrait être une très belle entrée à ce niveau-ci. So yeah. All right. So yeah, that makes sense. I think not only if you trade. Man, I'm up to date in questions and charts, so I'm good. Boom. All right. Man, I don't know how Raja does it, like with like thousands of message and like hundreds of charts. I was just like, poof. I think so, yes. I think that Raja would be on the 15 minutes and probably took entry right there. That's just my thinking, but maybe not because there's a resistance here on 15 minutes also. So now thinking about it, probably not. But This is just my opinion. No, he's not. He's waiting for the platform to be on. Oh, Mike, goodbye. Oh, they don't? Do they take US customers? No Canadian, no Americans? Wow, that's weird. Like Black Bull takes Canadian, but they don't take Americans. So now I'm trying to set up something. I want to set up a deal for students with a broker to accept American. I'm probably gonna talk to Ted, I guess. Try to set up on crypto come traders domain. Okay, so that's what I thought. So yeah, I'm gonna have to talk to him and set up something nice for students. Yeah, exactly. And the best way for me when I founded my account with my first broker was KOT. Yeah, like a while ago. I used this app to buy my bitcoins. Is it's actually for Canadian is actually the best option. It's called no ShakePay. It's easy, man. ShakePay, you actually do e-transfer by email. It's super, super, super easy. Where is ShakePay? Yeah, it's this this kind of icon here. I don't know if you guys see it. Oh, probably not. I don't know. ShakePay. It's like this logo. Oh yeah. Oh, here we go. So yeah, it works very well, super fast. So Félix, bonjour, bonjour Félix. Bonjour, bonjour, bonjour. All right. So you see if people take that trade on the break. God damn. What's the problem with this? On est déjà dépassé 142. Vieille nouvelle, man. Yeah. Volume start to kick in. Yeah. GA is pumping also. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, if you guys, we were talking about that trade. If you were still holding, hopefully you secure your profit, put your stuff at break even, you know, because at this point we don't know. GA. I would love to see GA come back down, create that support here, and explode right after. What about gold? Morning, morning. Not yet. We are being super patient. Yeah, waiting for 1 hour basically. I think if this one goes like this, it's going to be a nice engulfing one. And with the 8 a.m. Um, volume, we're going to be able to go to this zone and break this zone. So that's my expectation. This minor here will be broken easily with the volume. Yeah, that would be perfect. With no bottom wick also on the 1 hour. I mean, that's pretty good. Pretty good. Rejecting the golden zone. I mean, lots of good stuff. Lots of good stuff. Respecting the magic trend lines. You don't see it? It's a magic one. I know, I know, I know. It's crazy. I remember when I started to trade and I learned about trend lines, man, I was having a man, I was like, what I put it at the bottom of the candle on the wick. I'm like, how the hell am I doing this? Oh, on this one or on this one? I was like, oh, man, it was painful. It was painful. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So Friday, that's what I'm gonna do. Friday, I'm gonna reveal the logo live. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. The YouTube secret, we need to trigger a win. Yeah, the YouTube secret, we need to trigger a win. Yep. Hey, don't tell. God damn, Andrew, don't do that to me. All right, so wait. I'll just wait when you send me your next chart. True, true. That's why now I can breathe. Now I have more time for myself. I was the same with Raja. Man, I remember at first, man, I was sending him like all kinds of stuff and questions, and oh man, I was a pain in the butt. Exactly. That's why when I have people sending me questions and charts, and yep, yeah, exactly. Absolutely. GA 1 hour. Huh. Yep. Yeah, exactly. We need to see. We need to wait. Let's say, let's say that if I were to enter on the 1 hour open count, how big of a stop? It's like a nine-ish pip stop loss. All right. Now, man, right now it's being rejected, so yeah, doesn't look good. Sasha, my bro, we can't hear other talking. We just hear you say, yeah, exactly, yeah. Oh, Yeah. Sorry, guys. Yeah, we got this. I got that problem since this morning, so I don't know what's going on. I'm gonna have to investigate on that. Thank you for telling me. There's a couple people who told me already, but yeah, unfortunately, it's something that it's out of my control right now. I'm still new with OBS, right? So I'm trying to figure out what's the problem. I'm gonna have to YouTube. I'm gonna have to find the information on YouTube. But right now, yeah, it's only I feel like stupid because I mean I sound stupid because I feel like I'm talking to myself, right? So, but I'm not. I swear to God, there's people talking to me. So, so yeah. But we can try something though. We can try something. We can try something. You see this? If you smash the like button, maybe, maybe the sound from the others will come on. So try that. Try that. So maybe if you like the stream, and maybe you're gonna hear the others. Just try that. Yeah, sorry guys. So try liking the stream, and we'll see. Um, God damn, GJ man. True, Mark says, guys on the YouTube stream that cannot hear the other one, try to find your way to the Zoom stream. Yeah, because Zoom stream is still open. And you can find your way. If you dig on my Instagram, I'm pretty sure you can find your way to the Zoom. But of course, when the course is going to be launched, Zoom is going to be for student, obviously. But until then, you're more than welcome on the Zoom. And Phil is flexing the cat. Let's just he's tu m'as même pas envoyé ton adresse. Qu'est-ce que tu fais à Terre-Neuve? Mais je comprends pas. Pourquoi non? Ah, ok. Gave it? Ah, ok. Oh, wow. Wow. Interesting. And now H1 is flipping bearish. Yeah, that's terrible. Yeah, you see those QPs, man? Man, oh man, they're respected. Set up all. Jesus, man. GJ doesn't want to play at all, man, since the beginning of the week. Hey, ça paye ton bagel, man. Mais pas de fromage dessus. Yep. Hold on, Phil. Zane has a question. Well, the thing is, it all depends on how it close. On H1, you said on 30 minutes. On H1, if it close above, yes, yes. If it close above, yes. If it close above, yes, because you're gonna get that support. You're above that minor zone, and you're gonna get the volume to fill this wick to the QP. Yes, that would make sense, you know. But you need to close above, and right now it doesn't look like it's gonna close above. I mean, we got 7 minutes left, so we'll see. I mean, it's possible, and yeah, I think that would make sense. You can get your 10 pips, and right there, yeah, that would make sense. H1 still doesn't have bottom wick, 30-minute flip bearish, and now starting again. It flipped bearish, just created that tiny, tiny wick and start to push bullish again. So we gotta wait. We gotta wait. That 142. Oh, my bias, it's not changed. I still think technically we will go bullish. Um, and my bias for sells is gonna. What the hell just happened? Okay, sorry. So my bias for sell for sure will be under this zone. That's where I'm gonna be changing my bias. Sorry, this one is gonna be like a short live, but if we go under this zone, for sure I'm fully on the sell side, on the bearish side, you know. So but in between those two zones right now, in between those two zones, you kind of have to have a mixed bias, you know. Hmm. No, I don't think so. I just think it's the question is, are we gonna have to look to other pairs? And the answer is not really, because I mean it's the second week of January, right? So it's normal. Non. Ben, il voulait trader, par exemple. C'est juste que sa plateforme est pas live. Ouais, c'est ça. Ben ouais. The worst, the thing though, this morning and yesterday, I don't know why, but today and yesterday, I was wide. I mean, wake up at like 4 a.m. I watched and I was fully awake. I was just like, oh man. So I went to the bathroom, came back into bed. I was like, okay, I need to fall asleep. And it took me like at least like 30 minutes. And after that, I mean, the alarms ring. I'm like, okay, so now I'm gonna go. And I watched the chart. It's like, God damn it! I had an entry like at 4 and 4:30. I'm like, shit. So, so I think next time I'm just gonna wake up if I'm awake. You know. Oh wow. Um, you see, so yesterday when I almost wake up, when I got to the chart, this entry was nice, on 430. This one creating resistance, rejecting, having an overshot at 250, and starting to come down. So that would have been my entry right there, but oh well. Yeah. So right now, I mean, we got a minute and a half, and we just flipped bearish on the 30 minute and 1 hour also. We rejected 142 again. Um, and now we are, yeah, now I feel like we're going, yeah. So right now, yeah, the thing is, if you're trying to sell right now, you only have like a 10 pip range, right? So, the, yeah, you got a minor support right there. So, yeah, you can't do anything. What about GA? Oh, whoops, sorry. I'll go back to GJ in a second. So what about GA? Remove that. Yeah, it's about to close Doji, I think. That's a pretty big rejection, man. Yeah, yeah, I will not play with that. God damn, it's crazy, man. To be honest, it's probably one of the worst morning ever. I mean, yeah, I feel like we're on Monday or Jesus. Yeah, true. Oh, so Sofian, how is your funding account is going? It's doing good. Doing good. I'm on pause right now, so I'm trading my live account. Um, and the reason why is I want to try the new challenge. So I send them an email. I think they're very busy because it's the first time they actually don't answer me. Maybe I didn't send it to the right person, but they're coming out with a new challenge, and I want to try it to be able to experience it and answer questions to people. So it's going to be a challenge similar to what FTMO has, but instead of having a 10K goal, they have an 8K goal, and the verification is for 15 days, and it's 4K for the 15 days. What I'm saying. 60 days verification for 4K if I'm not wrong. So I'm just waiting for the official details, and I'm gonna start again. So yeah. So let's try taking out the AirPods here.
Faut que j'aille porter mes tailleurs puis mes 4 roues au garage pour les faire monter sur mes rimes. Fait que
Okay.
c'est ça aujourd'hui. Ouais, une grosse aventure ce matin. Fait qu'on se voit.
Marc, tu checkeras en 1h30 for real?
Ouais, ben, j'arrive au bureau, j'ai tout le temps mes choses devant moi. Tu sais, je calcule moins bien mon risque parce que j'ai pas vu ça.
Alright.
Take care, boys. See
Ciao,
ya.
be care.
Peace.
Au revoir.
Ciao, bye, bonne journée. Also, I guess now people on YouTube probably can hear the sound now from other people.
Let me check.
I'm pretty sure. Bon courage alors, good luck. Merci beaucoup, Sofiane. Oui, non, ça va être intéressant. Je pense que ça va être intéressant. Ça va être différent. Yes, we can. Okay, so that's what I, because I had the sound in my AirPods, right? So now the sound is coming from that small speaker in the Mac Mini, and my mic is close to it, so you should hear from this speaker. But there's probably another way how to do that because I see Raja having his. his headphones, and we can still hear people from the Zoom. So I don't know. I think I'm gonna ask him.
But Sasha,
Yep.
you see on GA, do you think it's kind of making support right there? Like, if that candle that just happened, the 30-minute on 30-minute,
Mm-hmm.
it's making support at the resistance basically.
Yeah. Well, yeah. If this 30-minute candle closed bullish like this, creating support at a resistance, I think that's going to be a very good opportunity to take your buy. You know, a second chance, and to fill this wick at least. And you got clean traffic to the left side, right? So you should go to the next QP, which is oh, guys, mute yourself. Thank you. 76,250, right?
And disrespecting the lows, like.
Yep. And say if you look at chart patterns, also, I mean, you can see this, you know, so. I do that. Oh, okay, here. No, doesn't did it. Racer, and let's do this. Okay, perfect.
GA is just a retest on the lower time frames. Break this candle, retest, and now it's gonna go higher.
Yeah, that's why this support will make sense to buy. Yeah. To be honest.
You could even get a better position in because your stops are is less if you put it at the low of the last candle.
Sorry, I didn't get your question.
No, I'm saying you can get a better stop in if it closes where it is now.
Oh yeah.
Stop below the candle, and which is just below the zone as well, so it's even better. So if it does break your low, if it does, you get stopped out, it means it's going back into the range.
Yeah.
So that's a perfect place.
Yeah, that can be a very nice trade, you know.
It's a blessing in disguise.
Yeah. So if this closed bullish, a nice size, you know, like pretty much where I put this line, if it closed at least like, you know, like this, I think that would make sense, you know, to enter on the next candle. But we got to see how this 30 minutes going to close. Because right now, yes, on 15 minutes, we get this break and retest. And GA, so far, what I've seen is they're going to give you that retest, you know. Right now on GJ, I mean, we're just ranging, you know. We're ranging. Let's put this kind of minor zone here. And this right here, you know. And yeah, we're just ranging. What a mess. What a mess. That's crazy. What about H1? Yeah. What a mess, man. Crazy. Man, start the stream at 5:30. It's now, what time is it? It's now 8 o'clock. So 2 hours and a half, no trade. Phew! What a boring session.
Yesterday.
The what?
Did you get a trade yesterday?
Yeah, and yesterday I took a loss, a small loss. Yeah, I need to post it on my Trixie. I was busy with work yesterday, crazy. Man, the business is just booming so hard. It's just.
Did you end up hiring a new rep?
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. We have someone that we really liked. So, but we got more interviews this week and next week. So it's not official, but we got some good prospects.
I talked about you to my girlfriend. So you're the director of sales, and then you guys supply to suppliers, or you guys supply like retail stores?
We sell to distributors, and distributors sells to stores. But the job for the rep is to go in stores, they don't take any orders. I don't sell anything. I just support, you know. So the distributor reps do the sales.
Yeah.
So yeah.
You did your part selling in your old days.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm done. So yeah, I hustled hard, man. Yeah, I was trying to find my trade from yesterday. So yesterday was the 13. It was like right in this shit, I think. That was so stupid when you think about it. Yeah, it was right here, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it was right here. I thought that the NY Open, like this support right here, I mean, it would break this zone. It wicked up and came back down, so I closed like at my entry basically. That's why it was like minus 3 pips. So it came up to, I think, oh no, that wasn't there. I didn't get 10 pips. It came up to 7 pips or so. Oh yeah! Now I remember. It was so dumb. It was the CPI news. I can't remember what time it was, but
8:30.
8:30. Oh, that's it. That's the one then. But the thing is, I entered and I was not looking at my MT4 is my left, right? So I'm looking at my trading view, and I got my finger on the open position, like open trade, and I'm just waiting. As soon as the candle open, bam! I click enter. Look at my trade. I'm like, holy shit! Like I had like almost a 4 pips spread because of the news. I was like, oh damn it! so yeah. So when I saw price coming back to my entry, I was like, okay, I'm out.
I'm not gonna take it, but maybe to look at it, I think we're gonna go down now. We've rejected 142 5 times at least.
Yeah.
I don't know. My feeling is that it's gonna break.
Oh yeah, that's what I.
This low and then go down a bit more. I would take an entry if Gigi wasn't a bitch, but I'm just gonna look, observe, watch.
Yep.
There you go.
That would make sense. And that, to be honest, is in my back of my head. That's what I'm thinking since this morning. We were to reject 142 and start coming back down, but technically we were still, based on market structure, we were still trending bullish. But I really think we're gonna start coming back down. But right now, I mean, even if you want to take a sell, I mean, there's no logical entry possible right now. I mean, just it doesn't make sense. You see, based on 1 hour, I think looking back at it, but I would not be able to take it because I was still in my bed, awake, but in my bed at 4 a.m. If you look at this is just an idea to keep in mind. If you look at this huge rejection, right? This is a huge rejection to the upside, and we closed bearish, creating this resistance, right? So technically, I mean, could enter on this opening candle or when we broke previous low, because breaking previous low will be breaking that QP, right? So breaking that QP, while breaking that QP, take your entry, write it down right there, because there's clean traffic here, right? This is clean traffic to the downside. So based on 1 hour, it makes sense when I'm thinking about it now, and that's something I'm gonna keep in mind, keep in my journal probably as a trading idea, because that definitely makes sense. Yeah, you see how 1 hour is often like more clean than 30 minutes and 15 minutes. 15 minutes I don't even talk about it. It's just like it's always like kind of messy, you know. And look at 15 minutes. It's just like, oh my god. Look, we got the camel set up. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour makes sense. And that was pretty good. Just curious. Let's say you take it on the break here. That's pretty good, like a 16 pip. And you put a fixed stop loss at 15 pips, and you're good, right? So usually that's what I do if I have like, because you cannot put your stop here. That doesn't make sense. You know, that's a 22 pip stop loss. So I would put a fixed stop loss, and as soon as I get my 10 pips, I put stop and break even, and that's it. Yeah, so that's a good trade idea to keep in mind. Man, oh man, this is nothing exciting. Oops. Man, GA doesn't want to play either. God damn. Yeah. Boring. Man, I don't know because this session is boring, but we only have 25 likes compared to Tuesday. We had like 40, I think. So come on, guys.
I liked it, my friend.
I like that.
I like your cat, man.
Dude, he's so affectionate.
It's weird enough for a cat to be so.
Yeah, but he's a different breed, right? He's a Sphinx.
Okay.
Yeah, Sphinx. Yeah.
Sphinx are really affectionate. Like he sleeps on my neck. Like he needs warmth.
Okay.
Yeah, Sphinx usually looking for anything warm, you know, because they got no fur.
It's really rough, so he likes to like do this.
Rubbing.
Yeah, the rubbing.
Yeah. He purrs so much. It's a Sphinx cat, Karen. It's a Bambino.
Yeah, Sphinx has no fur, so for people that has allergies, it's pretty good.
Oh, buddy.
They're really ugly. They're really ugly.
Yeah, man.
No.
I was not gonna say that,
But to be honest, Sphinx are really ugly. But the more you see them,
you start to like them, right?
suddenly it feels cuter. I don't know how to explain it, but one of my friends has one, and at first I was like, man, you didn't get that. It's so fucking ugly. You know? Oh, sorry for the.
You get it, right?
Yeah. I just started dating my girlfriend, and she was like, I want a Sphinx cat. I was like, that's very ugly. And then she got this cat, and now like I love him so much. Like I'm a little bit wet, but he's a good kid.
I'm more of a dog man.
Yeah, me too.
See, there you go, Sash. See what's happening?
Yeah, it's melting. So GJ is starting to melt, and yeah.
How's GA? Can you show GA?
Yeah, GA should be.
GA is alright right now.
Still,
Oh
GA still doesn't know what to do with his life.
Spikes a lot, GA.
Yeah.
Okay, buddy. Come on.
So volumes start to kick in now. What time is it? It's 8:17. Yeah. It's like you were talking about Sphinx, how ugly it is, but it's like dogs. If you have a pug, and pug are so ugly, but the more you get to know them and see them, they're getting cute ugly, So yeah.
That's supposed to be my office. He knows it. Just like your dogs. Just like your dogs.
Yeah, my dogs doesn't wake up until I walk off of this office. So now they are still sleeping. They didn't went outside yet. They didn't ask for food yet.
Wow, that's amazing.
But I'm telling you though, they are clockwork. Like in probably like around like 30 minutes, they will start scratching. They'll be like, "Yo, dude, alright, it's time."
There you go.
Alright, so GJ now is starting to fall.
Honestly, the best play, I think, we go to 140, 180, 800, and then around 930 we break, and we go all the way back to 141, 500.
Yeah, I think the play is going to be for NYC Open.
GA, if it does close how we want it to close, it'll be very good.
Yeah.
Just see the whole, you can ride that wave bar.
See, man, this is a gift, Christmas gift. This is one of my dog. It's painting.
Beautiful. Very nice.
It's nice.
And that looks awesome, man.
Yeah, the work is good, man. The frame is
How
nice.
much do you pay for that, if you don't mind me asking?
It was actually a gift from.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't know. My girlfriend actually went to do the frame, like custom made frame.
Yeah.
And that's pretty expensive, man.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, it's pretty nice. I'm really happy. I can't wait to put it on the wall. Yeah, I love my dogs.
So boring today.
I know, man.
Yeah.
We're talking about dogs and cat and, you know.
Yeah, clearly we're bored.
Oh, Karen has 2 Rottweilers. Yes, those are nice. Those are nice. I love Rottweilers. Where do you live, Karen? In the U.S.?
No, she lives in Toronto. That's my guess. Toronto.
Toronto?
Oh,
South Africa, we were way off, man. We were way off.
Dude,
Man.
that's awesome. I love how there's people from everywhere in the world. That is so awesome.
Yeah, and man, I didn't even know they had Rottweilers in South Africa. That's pretty dope. Cape Town, oh
Cape
nice.
Town. My friend lives in Cape Town. She went to Cape Town University. She's a doctor. She loves it.
Nice. 36 degrees today, yeah,
now,
man.
Now you're bragging. Now we don't like that.
Stop flexing the weather, man. Karen, that's not fair. Because here we're stuck. I don't know if I got to turn the camera. Can I turn the webcam? Yeah, I guess. So I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but we got snow here. So, yeah. Anyways. I would prefer snow. Hell no.
She would.
Oh man, the only thing I like snow is I love to ski, you know. So, but except
I love
that,
winter for skiing and like hockey, like going to the ring and stuff. But man,
let's talk hockey for a second. Have you watched the game yesterday?
I did. We should have won that, man.
I know, what a game. It was such a good game.
We'll go Anderson, impressive. Impressive.
I know. It was a good
Your
game.
Price looked good except on the 4th goal, but
Yeah, well, he didn't see shit, so.
yeah.
And look at this GG, man. It was started to melt and now retrace back up, back in that range. What is going on?
I'm quitting the Zoom to go on YouTube because I gotta start working. So.
All right.
But I'll be on YouTube, no worries.
All right. Take care, buddy.
Ciao, Karen. Ciao, Zane. Ciao, Andrew. Ciao, everyone.
Take care.
Ciao, guys.
Bye.
Alright, so we got 7 minutes left into this candle on GA. And if it closes like this on GA, I think that's going to be a great opportunity. And GJ right now, I mean, there's nothing we can do. Nothing we can do. Let me close my open calc. It was open for nothing. Because I did that once. My open calc was open. And I had my dog on me and I was doing some backtesting and I don't know what happened, but I actually pressed some button on Magic Key. I don't know which one. And anyways, came back, go back in the kitchen, make some food, came back to my computer, look at my MT4 and I'm like, wait a second. I'm in a trade? And I was like $300 in profit. I was like, what the hell is that? So I closed it. I was like, what? It's like, how come? I've been lucky with those things. It's just like, but sometimes this thing's gonna bite me in the ass. It's like last time. I mean, Sasha, would you get Kerwin, Stefanos, or Mac on the stream? Oh yeah, for sure. For sure. Actually, we might have Charlene probably next week. I'm gonna ask her to get a woman on the stream. I think that would be great. So yeah, so that was the story. You know, my MT4 and my open cap was open, and my dog kind of stepped onto it without me realizing it, and yeah, I was like $300 in profit, I think, and I closed it and I was like, what the hell happened, and realized it was that. And one other time we were on the live stream, and this is actually on YouTube, if I'm not wrong. I think it's on YouTube. We had a live stream, and I was just setting up my Black Bull market, and I kind of copy paste my setting from my Magic Key from my Funding Town account to my Black Bull market, and I took a trade on both accounts at the same time. And I'm looking at my MT4 from my Funding Town account. I'm like, all right, doing good. So I closed stuff, taking profits, and I forget about my Black Bull market. That's me. I'm lunatics, right? So suddenly I looked to the right, and I'm like, $800 in profit? I'm like, wait a second. It's like, so suddenly I closed everything, and I was like, how has that happened? And I realized that instead of opening like a 0.5 lot, this time it opened like a 5 lot. It's just like, I was like, damn it. Yeah, I was lucky with that one, because it can be the opposite, right? And I'll be crying.
And that was with me, man. And
yeah, you were there, right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
By luck, man. You went like 700 or something. I mean, you were shocked.
I was in shock, man. I was like, wait a second, what just happened? Oh, man. I was freaking out. That was crazy.
And if that day failed, man, you went straight away to the gulag.
No, man, I went straight away to the bank. It's like, give me my money, I'm out. Yeah. G looking good, Zane.
Zane is in the money.
Yeah. I don't want it to be that big, that good, because I want it to come back a little bit so.
Yeah, the only thing that scares me is that level here.
Yeah.
But
Hopefully, I don't want it to test that level again, because if it does, then instead of it being a whip fill, it looks more like a rejection.
Yeah. But technically, I mean, you have clean traffic to the left, right? So it shouldn't be a problem. We had this here, this miner here, that's following this line, but we'll see. But so far, so good. Gotta be patient. Patient. 1 hour look good also. But you need a wick, right? You need a wick. GJ, I mean, GJ is, ugh. Pretty slow week, oh yes. Charlene will be dope. From Phil, yes. I like Charlene. She's a nice person.
Pushing.
There we go. Finding some volume. Whoa. Showtime. Party like a rock star.
Need to close.
We need to break. And close this. And
It's breaking, man.
yeah. What about GA? Oof. GA rejected right on the dot, man. Look at this. Right on the freaking dot. But if I was trading GA, it's probably something I will attempt. So I'm gonna paper trade that. And I'm gonna take my entry when this candle open. So, ooh, it's retracing in the last couple seconds. It's good. I'm gonna have a better stop on that paper trade again. Paper trade, guys. I'm not into that trade. Here we go. So, I have 12 pip stop. And at 11 pips. Here we go. So let's see how that paper trade goes. Okay, so now GJ, we close right at support. So there's nothing we can do right now. The only thing I might do, if we start pushing up with this kind of timing, you know what? That's what I'm gonna do. 30 minutes, right? So open cap, and we start breaking the low. It's something I might attempt here. Stop above previous candle. Yeah, so because with the volume with NOI open, I can expect. So yeah, so I took an entry. So this is an impulse entry, so this is more risky. So I reduced my risk by 0.5% instead of 1%. So I waited for this top wick to be created, and once broken the low, I'm expecting volume from New York to continue push down. And yeah, so stop right here and aiming for 11 pips right here. So we'll see how it goes. Come on, GJ. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Is that the risk reward?
What?
The risk reward? Where'd you stop? 96, 97?
It's 15.
15, okay.
Yeah, 15. I don't really look at risk reward, to be honest. While scalping, where's my mouse here? Okay. And the reason why it's subjective, right? Because as soon as my trade is at 10 or 11 pips, I could stop at break even, right? So
yeah, you reduce your risk.
yeah.
Dynamic risk, what they call it.
Good partial TP right here. And that's it. So we'll see how it goes. Oh, Phil took this as well, like we said. Yes, I think with this NY Open, we should mirror those candles to the left here and continue down, you know. So and if we can get a break and close under, come back, retest it for NYC, I'm probably gonna add some position. But until then, I'm just risking 0.5% because this is a risky trade, right?
The thing is that technically it closed below the 30-minute. Closed below this area.
Yeah.
So it will be, for me, it will be a proper trade, not impulse.
Well, it's an impulse because I didn't took it on the opening of the candle.
Below, right?
Yeah, so it's an impulse because I waited to create a top wick and I enter on the break of the low, right?
Yeah.
For a better confirmation.
That looks great, man.
So I think that should work.
Yep. Get ready for that YouTube.
Oh yeah.
Surprise, man.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh, I can tell you now, man.
Hey! Stop. God damn, Andrew. He loves that.
USD news just came out.
You know what? I'm gonna put my stop. I'm gonna move my stop under previous 15 because I don't expect price to come back up there. So yeah. So I'm gonna move my stop to reduce my risk, and yeah. So it's gonna give me a better stop, a stop of like 10-ish pip. So yeah, better. I like it like that. All right. Come on, GJ. So technically speaking, we created resistance. Now we're going down. We broke previous low. Last candle broke previous low, closed under, respected previous high. So now we are starting our move to the downside. Donc principalement, ce qu'on regarde là, côté technique, c'est que on a créé une résistance. La chandelle de avant ici a respecté le haut précédent, a brisé le bas précédent, a brisé en bas de la résistance précédente. So this resistance support, I mean, en bas du support. Ouais, fait que là techniquement cette chandelle-là a brisé le bas précédent, respecté le haut précédent. Donc techniquement cette chandelle-là devrait continuer pour venir miroir ces chandelles-là ici et continuer par la suite un petit peu plus bas. So as soon as my trade, how many pips that's going to be? That's going to be 6 pips. Yeah, that's not enough. I had the idea of putting my stop at break even, not taking any profit when it hits 750, but no, I'm not going to do that. La 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 la. Phil, expecting NY volume to push. Yes, hopefully we can get volume today in NY Open because the last 2 days, or maybe 3 days, I think we didn't have much volume in NY Open. It was pretty brutal.
Yeah, everything came afterwards.
Yeah. Boom. Let's Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Let's go, GJ. Let's go. Have a nice day, everyone. Bye, Felix. Alright, guys, if you didn't like the stream, don't forget to smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Friday, tomorrow we're gonna have a Forex talk over beer, and I am gonna reveal, I'm gonna reveal the logo for Forex Dogs Academy. So yeah, that's gonna be great. Bum, 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 bum. There's daily support. There's daily support at 141, 768. Yes. 750 basically is a daily support. And after that, another support, so not enough room. Why enter it short? The reason why is I'm expecting NY volume to continue pushing down, So that's why. If it was not NY open, I will not take that trade. But based on what I did in the past, usually that work, So, but like right now, it's just flipping bullish, so we gotta see. But yeah, it might hold. But so far, volume is not the same volume that we had during the year, right? So, oh guys, mute yourself, please. Oh, Zane, you gotta mute yourself. Okay, so sorry, I mute you, Zane. So basically what I was saying is the volume is not the same as it was during the year, so maybe that's the thing that's gonna it's not gonna be helping us today, but we'll see. But usually with volume, we should be able to continue down. At least to our 10, 11 pips. So. Donc, la question était pourquoi prendre une vente en ce moment-ci si on est à un support journalier. La raison est très simple, c'est que je m'attends à ce que le volume de l'ouverture du marché new-yorkais pousse le prix vers le bas. Si ce n'était pas dans ce timing-là, je n'aurais pas pris ce trade-là. Donc, très important de comprendre. Deux choses complètement différentes. Let's take a look at GA. Oh, GA is getting there, man. Zane.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this. We're getting there, man. I should have traded GA. Fuck.
Yeah, I know it's going. I was looking at that. Like when one goes down, the other one goes. I wanted GA to come down a bit lower so I could put another position in.
Yeah.
I was there.
But Sasha, technically that's a winner, right?
Not yet. Not yet.
Oh yeah, and be careful. Remember that 7,600.
Yeah.
Dangerous,
Oh yeah, it's very strong. So I want to see this candle to break this high right now. Oh, I think we just did it. So we need to break 7,600, and if we break 76, oh here we go. So I think we should be good now. We should be good. Oh damn it!
Wow.
That was close, man.
Jeez, what the?
That was close. That was close.
Yeah, I want to get that.
Oh.
I'm actually close it right now because sometimes I get unlucky in these things. Wait.
Close half.
Wait. I'm at 2-4. I'm at 2-4. That's me. So.
Okay, that's good.
Let's see that.
Oh, I think we're gonna get it. We're gonna get it.
I got it.
I think we're gonna get it. Still pumping. Finally something exciting.
Wait, what? 1-2-6, bro.
Come on, baby. We're missing 1 pip here. But technically, if you put yourself at 10 pips, because mine I put at 11 pips, but I would consider that as a winner, definitely, because we got our 10 pips, right? So
Yeah.
I personally go to 11, but I know most of you guys go to 10. So if you went to 10 with spread, I think that's a winner. That's a winner. But yeah, definitely. So guys, if you took that trade and grabbed some money, give a like to the stream, please, and don't forget to subscribe. And we need to air our anthem for our winners. And for people on YouTube, we just gave you some free money. Yeah, baby. Yeah, free money is coming for you. Here you go.
Yeah, man, the free surprise.
Yeah, baby.
I had to shut my mouth for it.
It seems the money's coming from the level.
Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, right on
It
it.
was the surprise, man, the money show, man. So I should just press it by accident, one time. I saw it on YouTube.
Yeah.
So they only took 2 trades and both of them.
You should do the whole screen, man.
Yeah, I think it's not gonna look nice. Okay, I'll try.
The whole screen, full. Yeah, man, look better. Yeah.
That's crazy. Here we go. All right. Yeah, that was a pretty good trade, man. We actually reached 11 pips.
Yeah. I'm out of it already now. So.
Good job. Oh, whoa, here we go. Man, that was a solid win. Solid win. Free money here. Free. That was good, man. So now, I mean, put your stop at break even and let the rest run, right? So, and see where it goes. And you can close like percentage. You can close 50, 70, 80, 90, whatever percentage you want to close. Secure some profits and let the runner run. What I think that we're gonna go to this zone. We got clean traffic here. We should visit next QP, so that would make sense. If this candle close above 7,600, we're going straight up there. So
if it doesn't close, then you'll probably get stopped out. But if it closes above, then there's a very high chance. But
yeah.
So you see how it goes? It literally, because obviously you're selling one by another. So because that one hit TPS, the other one might have.
Yeah, that's good, man. Good job, Zane.
Thank you.
So Zane made money and I'm in a drawdown. So that's awesome.
No, you basically not made money, but you're a winner.
There we go. So we got 13 minutes left into this game. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. What the hell? 15-minute broke previous high. Yeah, this doesn't look very exciting.
Do you think Don GJ is making support?
Maybe.
Like that.
Yeah,
So
maybe.
if it closes like this, you can close anything. You can.
Yep, I'm gonna close 50% right now, actually.
Yeah, because now we have the 4-hour close, so
Yeah.
we might get a new wick and then right.
Yeah, so I just close 50%, guys. I just don't like the way we broke it and now came back into that range. I was just like, I don't like that. But if 4 hour close like this though, it's gonna be pretty good for sells. It's gonna be a nice resistance on 4 hour. So yeah. So far we have one trade that we call on GA. That was a pretty solid winner. And we got GJ that is still in process. Yeah, we got more than 10 pips. We got what? Almost 13 pips. 13 pips on GA.
GA moves nice. Moves very nice.
Oh man, what a long day.
So don't you think you can get into a, if it does close like this, yeah, you could probably go for a long because, no, not on GA, on GG.
Oh, GG.
Because it's making support, and then you could ride up to 140, 142. Or is that not?
Yeah.
You have this level and you have this one too.
Yes, that's the problem. Is I don't want to take entry in here or in here, you know, for buys.
If it closes like on the opening of the next candle, so don't wait till it breaks the highs. But as soon as it opens, you can go in for a long. But obviously you got that level, the first one that is at like, you see the middle blue one, yes.
This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That could stop it, but
yeah. And right now it's rejecting it, you know. Of course, if this candle close here, like engulfing, that's gonna be a different story because that means like buyers are in control right now, and I can expect the next one for NYC open to break this and go to here. But yeah, but we gotta see how this gonna close. Right now I'm still in that sell, close 50% already at minus 5 pips, and I'm just waiting to see how this 30 minutes gonna turn out. But right now it doesn't look good. Look on H1. H1 respected previous high, broke previous low. I mean, oh, what's going on with my mouse? Okay. 30 minute. Again, we respected previous high, and broke previous low.
If we can close at 95, that would mean that the 4 hour candle will turn bullish. So then we have more probabilities of going higher.
Yep.
If price comes around here, like small bearish 4 hour close, we could go higher.
Mm-hmm.
Go Bessie.
It's horrible today.
Yeah, horrible.
And yesterday it was doing something like it was moving something.
Phil close half also, that kind of weak. Yeah. Oh, sink it. Yeah, you said you can close GG at break even to save GA profit. Yeah, the thing is I only paper trade GA. Because I'm still, I'm backtesting again GA. I'm still backtesting.
I hate when I take the paper trade of one and it goes right. It happens to me so many times. Even like this week, it hasn't been so annoying.
Yeah, it's part of the game. Yeah, man, this trade now, I mean, right now your runner is at like almost 20 pips. So if you have a runner. pretty good. Pretty good. Man, I forgot to do the story, man, for the winner. God damn it. Forgot the gram. Oh, GG flipped bearish again. Alright. What happened here? Bye, Karen. Stay strong and stay safe. Yes, will do. I mean, I cannot go out of the house, so it's gonna be hard to not stay safe, to be honest. We have a curfew, so I mean, yeah, it is what it is. PBA dose closed -7 pips. Managing risk, man. That's good. Right now, I'm pretty much at break even. I'm like -0.8. So GA though ran good, man. GA went to 18 pips. So that's pretty good. Pretty good, my friend. Pretty good. Come on, baby, let me find you. So how much time? We got 5 minutes left into this candle. So let's do it, GJ. Let's do it. Maybe I need to put my office into bearish mode, maybe. Alright, so back into profits. Alright, let's do it.
Yeah, looking great, man.
Yeah. Or would you move your stops to that?
Yeah, I'll trail my stuff.
So you could have 2 wins, basically.
I can, you know what? If the next candle, okay, so let's do this. So let's say this close right here, okay? So and next candle start pumping up again, rejecting, start breaking low. I might add another entry. So we'll see. To get my 1% risk, right? Because right now I'm only risking 0.5. And when this close, I'm going to be moving this stop to here. So reducing my risk. So hopefully everyone on GA, you guys secure profit, hopefully, because now it's going back to entry.
I'm out now.
Yeah.
I still think it'll go up, but
Oh yeah. I'm pretty sure it's gonna go. But to go we need this candle to close above. So.
Yeah, 100%, yeah. So. And if it does reject this again, we're looking at similar to what happened on GJ where it rejected 5 times.
Exactly.
this closes as this on the 4 hour will be a 4 hour bearish close. So
Yeah.
Engulfing.
Engulfing bearish, yeah.
Yeah, so this is gonna die.
Yeah, that looks good actually.
Yeah, boy.
That looks good. Let's remove this. It looks good. It looks good. Man, I don't know why. I had a pretty big spread. Like usually I'm averaging like between like 0.5 to 1 pip. And on that one, when I entered, I think it was like at 1.5 or 1.4. It's rare that I got a big spread like that. Huh. Oh well. It is what it is. Phil, how I call this? Ouais, en effet, niaisage. Un autre vieux matin. Et là là. Come on, GJ, stop playing with me. So is this? Yeah, okay. So this candle just closed under 7,600 for GA. For GJ, we close under our zone, bearish. It looks good. It looks good.
So you'd wait for it to go up a little bit.
Yeah.
And just now it will.
Yeah, I'll kind of a retest and come back down. Yeah, that was good, man. So we created a top wick here. We're testing that zone again, but I want to see a bigger wick, bigger rejection. That would be nice, giving more power. But oh, here we go. Broke that previous low. So that's it.
EJ is melting.
EJ is melting?
Yeah. Well, it's already melted, but.
Oh, yeah. GA. It's not moving anymore. Someone has water drop somewhere. Is it you, Zane?
Water drop?
Water drop? We hear water drop, no? Is that you?
No.
Yeah,
No?
Yeah, so
There's a tiny, tiny song. I don't know what it is. Doesn't matter.
Oh, it's my clock. I think.
It's your what?
A clock.
Oh, your clock. Okay. Wow. I was like, wait a second. What is that? Oh, here we go. We don't hear it anymore. Oh, now we hear it. You got some ghost, man.
I thought that clock wasn't working.
Good news, it's not working. That's funny. Alright, come on, GJ. Give us some money. GA. This is the new hour, right? So let's take a look at 1 hour. So 1 hour close very bearish, like a big body candle, close under our support. Yeah, that looks good. 4 hours closed nice bearish engulfing, resistance form on 4 hours. So that's a very, very good indication that we're gonna continue our move down. But we might create that top wick first though, so that's the only scary thing. But we should be able to secure profit before that.
Yeah, Sasha. I
Yep.
was gonna say if you had looked at 5 minutes, you created a little pattern that we loved. Just when you were like at BE on the 5 minutes.
On the 5 minute, okay, sorry.
Yeah. See that little pattern that you created there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's when you were saying you're BE, and I was like, don't worry, we should push down.
Oh yeah, we should push down. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I'm pretty confident to be honest. And if I don't win that one, I mean it's it is what it is.
Yeah.
But everything makes sense now, so. Boom, boom, boom. But I'm gonna move that. Is it to 12 pips? Set. All right. Come on, GJ. Man, I'm trying to move my take profit. Oh, here we go. So let's put it here, this one, and this one here. That's going to be final destination. So final destination, of course I'm going to be scaling my profits, so I'm going to be securing at first here, second target is going to be here, and my final one for runners right here. So
nice.
So we'll see if we can get a runner up to there, but that would be amazing. But you gotta understand that 80% of the time runners get stopped, right? So
yeah.
So now it's 9:06. 9:06. So yeah, we're just about to get NYC open volume pretty soon. Man, so freaking slow, it's not even funny. So I guess this trade, if you had a runner, is now stopped at break even. So that's good, man. It was an 18 pip win on GA. So that was pretty good. Man, I should have trade GA. God damn it. Next time. Well, maybe not next time, but pretty soon. Let's go, GJ, let's go. Man, I'm just about to start singing or do something because it's boring. Here we go. Let's go. Yes sir, Miller. Je sais pas si Miller est encore là. Yes sir, Miller. It can continue down, GJ. From Syncit, yes. Especially that we just broke previous low. on 30 minutes. And looking at 1 hour, we broke previous low also on a H1, which is pretty amazing. We retested that zone. So I think that trade looks very good. Yeah, we should tap into 750, no problem. Yeah, no problem. 750 is not a problem. And yeah. There we go. Here we go. Come on, baby. Oh, I forgot to trail my stuff. So now stop is going to be moving up here. And Jesus. Come on. Right here. Okay. So yeah. So now stop is over here. So now I'm risking 7.8 or 8 pips basically. Not bad. So you see how suddenly that risk reward is increasing. We started with 15 pips, now to 8 pips, and now suddenly our trade is in a positive risk reward. So that's why I don't really look at that. And I don't know if you remember, I was talking about my dogs being clockwork. I mean, I just heard her scratching the door, and yes, she is. Yep, I know. Touch. Come on, touch. Come on, give me touch. Touch. Whoa, what's going on? Oh, the robot start. Yeah, I'm gonna take you out, so. Sorry, guys. Felt excited a little bit.
No, near where my brother lives, he was at the park playing football, and a cat was just running around, and the Rottweiler bit off the cat's head.
Oh.
Cool.
Damn.
I sent you a video.
Whoa.
Cat's head got taken off.
Crazy. I want to take them out, but I feel like as soon as I'm going to walk out the door, price is going to start moving. Always does it.
Yeah. I think, to be honest, we have like another half an hour. If we don't push now in this half an hour,
Yeah.
we might create another little support resistance and then probably push down.
Yeah. Alright, so let me take a chance here. I'm gonna go take out the dog outside. And I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back.
Should be
good. What time is it? 9:11. Oh yeah, we're good.
Oh man, 5 minutes looks silly, man.
On GJ?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
like it doesn't want to do anything, man.
I'm in this shape, but so I was in it. Well, I wouldn't really pay attention to finance that much, but
Yeah.
15, 115. It depends how this closes. Really.
Yeah, true. I think one of my weaknesses I need to like stop looking at 5 and 15 mostly.
Yeah, that's what I did. Unless I trade from the 15 minutes, that's when I look at 5 minutes, but I don't really trade from 15 minutes. So if I trade from 30 minutes, I only look at 15, no 5. And yes, it's from an hour, I only look at 30 minutes, no 15.
Yeah, makes sense. For some reason, I think we're gonna create a 30-minute support just around here with this candle. I don't know why, but I just get a feeling that it create a little support.
Yeah,
Something like a weak bullish candle, just it will close just below the previous support, and then maybe the other next candle will just drive down.
Are you from England?
Yeah, in London.
Whereabouts are you from in England?
Southwest,
London.
in Kingston.
Oh, I'm going to today actually.
Yeah.
I need to get something. How long have you been training for?
Oh, like less than I think 8 months now.
Oh,
Yeah.
how's it going?
How about you?
I said, how's it going?
Actually, since I phoned about Weeks Don't Lie, like I think 3 months ago, 4 months ago, like things just started clicking. But in the first 4 months, I was just clueless, man. How about you? How long have you been training?
Maybe about like just over a year. But I've been actively trading in Lab account for like just over a year, under a year. But I've been learning to trade for like 3 years.
Oh wow. Well, before were you just like following a certain strategy or?
No, I was just at the time I didn't open the Lab account because I was in school and I was in school to do GCSEs.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I went to sixth form and I stopped going to sixth form to do trading. That's when I took it more serious.
Yeah. Oh, that's good one. How did you like find out about trading and everything like?
Oh, I knew about it. It was a long time ago.
What did I miss?
Nothing much.
God damn.
So it was Wolf of Wall Street. That's what I first saw about trading.
Oh, okay, yeah, the movie, yeah.
Yeah, and I watched that a long time ago, and then I started looking at it.
Funny thing, that movie never made sense to me before, but when I found out about trading, I was like, okay, things start clicking in the head.
What the hell, DJ?
Go let the dogs out. Sasha.
Yeah. Yeah, now they're good. Now they're starving, so I might go feed them. Because usually I stop streaming around like 9, but It is what it is.
Come on, Gigi, give us the 10 pips and let's get like.
Yeah, let's go, because I got work to do, man. Yeah, if it didn't happen in 15 minutes, I'm gonna have to close it anyways. But I mean, close the stream because I gotta go get ready.
Yeah.
So let's see if that last 15 minutes of that candle can push it down and get some money falling. You know. Oh, I got another one. I got a special one. If we win this that GJ trade.
Special anthem.
It's gonna be Sam Anthem, but got a special animation.
Oh, okay. On the YouTube.
Yeah, on YouTube, yeah.
Oh, okay. I was just tuning YouTube then, but I don't miss that.
Yeah, boy.
Oh, is Roger still? Oh shit! I didn't realize he's still online.
Will you continue to do live stream every day? I think you should. Oh, thank you. I only do Tuesday and Thursdays. So I do Tuesday and Thursdays, and yeah. When the course is going to be launched, I'm probably going to be trading every day live with students, but YouTube is going to be Tuesday and Thursdays. And I also have, if you're new to the channel, I also have episode I call Forex Talk Over a Beer, and we break down charts from previous trade and we answer question. And sometimes I have like specific subject, like let's say last time it was about Magic Key, how to use it, and how it helped me my trading. Sometimes I'm gonna get some guests, so I had a pretty good one. It was probably one of the best episodes we had with Stefanos. It was pretty awesome. So if some of you watched it, I think it was pretty good. And yeah, so that is on Wednesday and Friday at 6 p.m. Eastern. Yesterday I had to cancel because we had some family stuff. But yeah, so tomorrow, and tomorrow I'm gonna reveal the logo for FX Dogs Academy. So it's gonna be good. All right, come on, GJ, man. Lately, the worst thing is like the setup we took made sense. Everything technically made sense. Even on the fundamental side of it made sense. And just GJ went like the opposite way, just like crazy. You cannot do anything about that. It's just like, it is what it is. Thanks. I will follow the stream. Really helpful. Oh, thank you very much. Very appreciate it. Thanks for the kind words. Trying to help, you know. Trying to give back. My mentor give back a lot, so I want to do my part. So yeah. Bum, 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 bum. Why GG's being so dumb? What about GA? Yeah, G's coming back down. For people that miss it, did call the trade here on the opening of this candle. Support was formed at resistance, so that was pretty good. Timing was NY open, so we expected the volume to push up. Unfortunately, it closed under this QP. So if it would have closed above, I'm pretty sure we would be able to reach that level right here, you know, and visit that next QP. But it closed under, so now we are rejecting, right? So GJ is still at the same place as we started the new candle. So right now it's not doing much. Man, see those body candles are so small. There's no volume. Just like, wow. No volume at all. That's crazy. So, 7 minutes and we're gonna be ending the stream. Those dogs needs to eat, man. Oh. And I gotta be closing everything at 9:30 because at 9:30 my robots is gonna start vacuuming the floor and it's gonna do a lot of noise. So. So something you can do if you want to follow the stream, make sure you subscribe and activate notification. So by doing so, you will know when I go live. So right now, GJ is trying to do that kind of retest, I guess. We'll see how it goes. We got 7 minutes left into this candle. Of course, if this candle closed bullish, be closing that trade. Dun, 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 dun. Doesn't look good, guys. Doesn't look good. Four minutes left. Can we have GG flipping bearish again in 4 minutes? I mean, with GG, anything's possible. Oh, I'll be right back. All right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh. This doesn't look good. Wait a second. Let me get out of there. Boom, boom, boom. All right, guys. So I guess this is a no show for GJ. So GA was a good winner. So I'm gonna recomfort myself with that, with that paper trade. God damn it! It is what it is. Thanks. I will follow. Okay. Mosen, what's up? Yeah, and we are out completely. I closed 50% just before, and now closed full, went broke previous low, previous high, sorry. And this is the end of GJ. And this is the end of the stream. So, thank you for tuning in, guys. Merci beaucoup d'avoir été là. Donc, malheureusement, GJ n'a pas voulu jouer avec nous encore une fois aujourd'hui. Ouais, écoute, on va revenir plus fort. Demain, manquez pas l'épisode de Forex Talk Over Beer. So tomorrow, don't forget, episode of Forex Talk Over Beer. GJ didn't want to play with us today, so unfortunately, GJ's been very, 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 very hard these past couple days, and it is what it is. So wish you guys a very good day, and I see you Friday. Thank you very much. Have a good day.